I don't know what we are going to do. It's rough. You better walk so fast, because remember so far we have to walk up.
Let me walk up, cause
Me can't keep up, man.
I can't keep
And me I carry the bag.
And you want to carry the bag?
Carry it then now.
Mommy, my back hurt.
Exactly.
I'm hungry. Oh, far more me have to go walk, go mommy.
Just down to your uncle. You don't know where he live already.
Me do not eat. Me don't eat not even this morning.
You can't take the botheration, you know, me don't have enough on my head. There's pressure on my head already.
Make him man put you out.
Me nah stand up there and take him foolishness, you know. Him thinks he can enough with me and want to raise him hand to me. He lucky so me never shut him a box, make him piss up himself. Come man, me no arguments with you, you know. Nobody make me take it up on you, you know, little girl. Oh, come, just walk. I'm tired of it.
Mommy, walk up now. You not even know me, I go.
Just keep walking. You see no turn off. You see no turn off. Sure. Me about my foot pan rock store.
Mommy, I pick up your foot.
Me hungry too. Slow down now.
Mommy, walk
The sun
up, man.
hot.
I mean, you tell us everything. So come on. I'm hungry.
You want hungry? Me hungry too.
You know, that's a two. Mommy, that's a two. Mommy, I know say. You sure say. When you go to your brother, you know, nobody put you up, you call him.
I'm a brother. Papa, I'm a bigger brother. I'm not put you out.
Mommy, you call him?
Me know some good man.
You sure?
Family blood thicker than water. Me and Papa grow so. I him look after me. Not even fly could have pitch for me for Popeye.
Make sure.
Fly pitch for me and kill it and swat it. Nothing can do me for my brother. And nothing can do my brother for me. We're good man.
Alright, Mommy. So make sure, say they call him when I say ear from your brother.
We know where him live, man. Once we reach there, we're good. When we reach there, we're home.
So, Mommy,
can me try him and me not get it?
I can't leave, because remember, saying I have no money to go right nowhere, you know. You tell him, say, I leave, we are going to leave. Because I don't know what make anybody just suck salt with daddy and bear it. Bear it. Look at me young, eh? And me walking a hot song.
Bear what?
We are what?
You know, as you say, look how long me I bear it. And I just know your father is a
Mommy. Suck salt.
How much more salt me for suck? Me suck salt till you grow big, so me can't take no more, man. Me can't take no more. This is a last straw.
You know I have no money, and you really make daddy put we out. Me cannot believe.
That's why we got to my brother.
Me try me, she say, brother, put you up and come here. Team me want go back up. They say no hard son.
You time to the waiting of the Sunday.
Alright,
cause we are go to my brother and he will go put we out. And I make sure.
How far more now? Me have to go walk go now. How far?
We are gonna walk till we reach. It's not far. You see the truck down there, sir? It's just round the corner. And up the little steep hill, but it's not that steep. And then you reach. Once you go down the hill a little bit and go round the further. Once you pass Miss Lydia's house, you're good, man. Is either that or Tanto there. Come, man. Ciao. Too miserable for such a... This house right here.
Where in there?
Nobody come with your attitude. Have manners to your uncle. We have got to him. Come on, and fix your face. What, brother? Popeye, hey. You good?
Oh, that mercy. I want know.
So you're not glad to see your sister and niece?
You know, time like I
Come man, fix your face, hug me up. You alright, brother, you good?
Me good, man. Me good.
So what happened?
Pass through.
Yeah man, we said we could
Oh.
come check you and spend
Me
little
no
time.
pass through. Me tell you, she not call
Me
you,
tell you
brother.
say you two now come out a big people argument.
what? Spend what?
A long time you no see your brother, you don't know your niece. You forget to know your niece, man, so we'll come back.
I live, we can't live here. Daddy put we out, come me no know if suck salt.
Me was going to get into it later.
So,
One roller fight me and him getting her. He nearly killed me.
choo.
He nearly killed me, Papey.
Choo.
Aye, actually, me no want to tell you all this time, but he's not a good man.
See, no juice in there or water. It hurts me walk from blasting at me walk.
Me sure you know when you are coming up. You pass a lot of pipe on the road, even right there, sir. Why when you reach Yasso, you feel like you're thirsty?
Me thirsty, hold on.
I take you to my place to eat that.
I have to take a place to eat that.
That's such enough.
Well, my sister, we come from the same mother, right?
Then must.
Yeah. But
Same blessing.
you can't live here. You cannot live here. But, two you are my sister. And you look so bad to me turn your back. A taxi, we take.
No,
Walk.
Here.
What you mean? Hold on, stick up in. What you mean we can't stay here? What you really saying? You have a big 5-bedroom house.
No, you can't live here, but you can stay for a while.
How that me a talk? This one open our mouth. Of course, we're going to get pan for beef and things.
3-4 days.
Baby, it's going to take longer than that to get from my foot, Papey. And we're back, I will close pan, we're back, we come within a family, you name me now.
When it is up there, me not see you come here. No, the compound
You can't go inside. Come on, sit down.
Papa, you really are do your little sister, so go, we grow. You're gonna make mommy turn in our grave for real, brother.
No, it's principle me assure. Principle I assure. You see, if you take up your assembly in the moment and live here, they're gonna wreck your place.
No, me grow her with manners. Nobody will listen to the talk. I true she tired. Me grow her with manners and everything. Right. She care for her things, and you don't know me already.
Yo, I think 2 years walk from was night, you say? Till you reach here, me now go turn you back. Me gonna reconsider and make you stay here till one time I think. What you put on? Yeah. But you see, you won't know. Put us, I chat to you. When somebody I chat to you, don't hold on your head.
No, yes, because you don't know manners.
You look for me when I talk to you. It's just like when the radar talk and I say, you just pay attention to the radar, pay attention to me. Right? You're going to stay here with your mother. But under my rules and regulations, there's time for when you go out and time for when you come in. There is time for when you go sleep and there's time for when you go bed.
I shan't me there.
You see the toilet, you don't flush it more than one time for the day. If you're wee-weeing, you wee-wee a lot. Right?
No.
And when it gets full, you flush it. Do not flush one wee-wee. Because you don't pay for water bill yet. First of all, I walk in and I never take taxi. So that means I have no money.
I never know, so the sun over my head is very hot.
Oh, you left where you come from your daddy, and you know, walk with umbrella. Don't blame I, blame the sun.
Suck salt.
Good!
That you tell me for do? Suck salt.
Well, you never suck it salt.
Girl, who you put your foot in her face? You know better than put your foot in my face.
Hello. If I saw you
she take her father rankness, rudeness, and utter ordinariness. We can't take it no more.
Hello.
Yes, so you fi do her. Come, can't take it no more, Papa.
I'm an uncle is straightening you. You see, your mother never straightening you, but no is straightening you. This is my little come and ask you how you see ya. Bring a man come in here.
Hey.
Make a man evil tell her for the
you. You're wicked.
Take your foot out of my face, little girl.
You're very
before
wicked.
Me make your uncle done it.
Warning. Can you see my rock?
Can you make me rock?
Shut up.
Push me down, yam.
Her papa rudeness, she taking her.
Tell you something now.
You know, so we go.
You now go there and now work.
When you ever know me no work? Me work hard for everything me
Good.
have.
I try to tell you this. Make sure say, you contribute to light bill, water bill, Wi-Fi bill. Me not gonna say cable bill because no TV in the back room. But the fan, when you not use it, please to plug it out.
Well, that's a simple thing.
When you charge your phone, don't use it while you're charging. When you don't charge, you plug it out. Because JPS have an intensity. If you tell me, say, to me a charge and watch same time. Make me bill run up.
Hold on, brother. Let me check something. And me understand the talking to her, so. And me, you really a deal with so. Me and you come from, me understand that. But brother, my mother never raised with so. You have we out in the hot sun, I give rules like say with their school, like some me and no rules too. And your mother is my mother is your mother, we raised the same way. I understand with that cause she rank.
My mother principle when you.
So you really have to preach to me, oh, the sun hot.
Listen.
You couldn't even make me get in and get little water first.
You remember how we used to fight? Our mommy used to wake up 3 o'clock in the morning, can go down and see if you turn up in the sea water till sun hot. When we come out to me. And then the principle that me I use now. Principle.
But me and me grow the same way as you.
No, it don't matter.
That's
Me and one brother. Nah, make no sister come here, come live free rental. No. You know, go so.
Me tell you nothing about free. You ever know me as come so?
Go on in and use the back room. Don't use the other room around there, just use the back room. You and your daughter can stay in the same room.
Alright.
No. As long as you're here,
not a problem.
I am the only man here had privacy here. So remember that, you know, me is the only man here have privacy. So, try and make sure you know that.
Me know you are the only man here have privacy.
Right.
But surely you expect me and my teenage daughter, girl child, to have privacy too. What do you? So what? My girl child is strip and come out to the bathroom.
I never tell you if you come out to no bathroom.
So she must have privacy. So yes, you're the only man have privacy, but women have privacy too. What do you? Allow that. Know that. Oh. But only one have privacy. You're bright and chest high. Me now beg you nothing, you know. Oh. Riri.
Yes, mommy.
I need to seriously talk with you. Oh boy. You kinda get a shock.
You do, mommy.
Me no know this Papey. This Papey come different. Me never expect this. So this reception, me never in all of my years, 40 odd years, see my brother act so. So here what? Since him hold the handle and right now we hold the blade, as you say, we have to go suck salt and take
Mommy, you tell me if you suck salt. What make you all the side disrespect me in front of your brother? I tell me if you suck salt.
Oh, start the disrespect. That's another thing I come in to talk to you about. Cause me have to put my foot down for door shut. Him no want privacy. Him the only one for have privacy. You make him no son, no so you go. Yes, we are catch, but the law, you is a girl child. So, me no know I'm really deaf on. You have to watch things.
Yeah, if it all hold on I'm ear.
Can you never have manners to your rude to me? Would I do the same? You're lucky say it's not your grandmother. Your grandmother would have should have spit in her hand and box.
You know how you come by? When I'm here one dinner, mommy.
Listen.
In Canada, it's not my father. It's not my father. It's if there must be a canteen and me I go away. I go up on my father, go stay. And if you anyone down here.
If I saw so.
But me go suck salt for the meantime.
Yes. Because, why? Rain a fall, but not too tough right now.
The salt I got done.
Mm-hmm.
One day the salt I got done or it I got turn over.
Baby, me not say this is forever, you know. This just give me the inspiration to work even harder and faster. Cause, why? There is no comfortableness here.
Okay, mommy.
So, just bear with.
Mommy hungry, mommy.
Me know, me hungry too. Boy, I have to go work out and big approach him. And my brother still, me know how to deal with him. Okay, I try act big to make first impression. And my brother know how to deal with it. So, I gotta go talk to him, because I don't know money. So, I gotta talk to him and see what we can find in with him. Here. But remember, alright, just suck the salt and bear it. It's not going to be for long. I promise you that.
Alright, mommy.
I'll go. Not for long. I don't know what I have to do. I take a look and see if we see Papey. I don't even know when him leave. And him a talk about manners. And him leave and him never. I like we know say him gone. Hey, afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, look for Papey. You see him?
No? You buy yacht? You come buy yacht team?
No, that's where I come from. That's where I come from. You just leave out to the yard and make me know say him gone.
Well, I'm going to Papa Friday. Now I'm going to over yard. I probably ain't gonna work, but I'm going to put him at work because him from money. So I don't know when they. What happened?
Why, right, you know, me in a kind of distress. I walk from far. Long story short, girl, me and my man catch up and me come down to see Papey and he just disappear. He's supposed to get me something to eat, me and my daughter. I mean, you know, where him there? I shop and want go get something. Come my baby, I cry, say, oh, she hungry, and wear my piece up and she hungry bad. So, boy, one day she can do me a favor. You can give me something small and me buy something for eat for here and then Papey will give it back to you.
Well, me tell you the truth, you know. I don't have no money at all. I only have the dead $200. Yes, we only have $200 when we can give you.
Oh, God bless you.
You can take and buy Pepsi.
Yeah, man.
And buy juice.
Aye, thank you.
Money. But you have to give me back, man. That good.
Really? Mm-hmm. There really is good people in the world. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
I'll get you where you go through right now in a life. Yeah.
All right. If you see Papey, tell him to me I look for him. Yeah?
Yes, if we see him.
All right. Thank you. Me gonna shop.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bless.
Oh, God is there still.
Well, baby. You're right. Well, we can't manage the sun hot bad. I couldn't find Papey and just dance and then wearing gone. So he's a lady me meet out the street and she helped me with $200. So I buy this steak, huh? This can cool you down and...
What is that? Mommy, me don't want no Pepsi, me want a big juice.
And a big juice this?
No, mommy, want a big true juice. I never tell us me want no drink. There's some want food in my belly. I can't Pepsi, come give me.
Well, you can't get blood from a stone. Your uncle gone, me don't know where him gone. You're lucky you get this, cause you nearly never get nothing. It's an angel me meet out the street, and she give me her last $200. This you drink the Pepsi and it will bring up the gas.
Bring up which gas? Pepsi don't bring up gas, mommy.
It will bring up the gas, the fizzing.
Everybody can't want ginger beer come now. Everybody can't want ginger beer come now. When I know I say yes, we can't box the gas.
They never had no ginger beer.
They never could have. Look at my shop there. Look at my shop with pass.
Well, try you go out and get me walking in the hot sun.
No, I'm not going out there.
Exactly.
I'm hungry. Going that Uncle Kitchen go sell us no food.
Not there in there. I'm probably gonna shop.
Looking
how we come. I mean, I'll search up in room, cause him done come with rules already. Like, so we are not family. Me don't know where in the fun.
Mommy, me don't want the Pepsi.
Me will drink the Pepsi and belch. And belch twice. So.
And belch.
And then nobody come.
Me will go around at the kitchen, go see me find on flour for yam.
Go find it then.
You know
and I need it good too. Remember for wash your hand. Little rich and grateful, doing. She knows we have it hard and she's still at bada. I'll take it some time, man.
Oh boy. Watch out.
Oh.
Watch out.
Papey, there you are.
Watch out. See all of us here, man.
Me I look for you all over and can't find you.
Am I lost? Eh?
How you deal with me, sir? What me do you, sir? Across your spirits.
Me don't like your attitude.
What attitude? All me do is come out to the house and say, there you are, brother. Which kind of attitude me have? If anybody have attitude, is you from me come your face sour and froze you up.
Listen, me, man.
And what so? What me do you?
Alright.
Wow,
You're not gonna look for work.
Brother, I like to say you take this thing for joke. Me tell you what happened. We're not even there 24 hours. Me not even find school for Riri yet. Me get chance to look for work. Just yesterday me come, brother. Jeez and peace, you can't make me breeze off.
Let me ask you a question. Am I her papi? Huh?
Me give you ownership. Me give you jackets. Me give you tie. Me give you coats. Me give you shoes.
Listen to me. I need you to get a work quick and fast. Bills got to pay.
You know, see the small bag me coming at the house with. You know, see the small bag me coming. I just it's two little things me can scrape up and run out with. And most of them is Riri. So here, all right, me will find work.
No, listen.
You go give me money for go buy clothes for interview. Me will reimburse you, you know. Since everything is business.
Give money away.
Well then, since you want me to go look work right here now. Me not have clothes for go for interview and for go out street. Come and tear up clothes. The clothes me have on tear up.
The worst thing is to make your family member living in your house with you because they will take you for garbage heap.
Me not even there for 24 hours, brother. Which kind of garbage heap me can really take you for?
I feel like the chug. Me feel like the garbage truck a pop through the neighborhood. Pop.
And where do it take you?
I don't like it, man.
How would that take you, sir?
They are peaceful. Your daughter up here poop him in place. Make him, it's like...
So you're going to charge for piss and shit now?
No.
Well, I wonder.
She have poop too much. I mean, I like it.
And a natural body thing that if you not poop my body, you figure doctor. And if you poop not stink, you definitely figure doctor. How wrong with you?
When me in my one house, I come out and do a come poop.
Which part? When me and you and Johnny and Sarah did a share bed when we grow up, appear your poop we smell. And you all lift up the sheet and cover up over our head. True, you are the bigger one. And hold it down, make we breathe it. Breathe it in, I like it too. Huh?
Yeah.
So it's alright for you to do it when we are youth.
But this is a little piece of tea and enough to do it.
Nothing do it now at all. She not in the same bed with you. She not in the
No, I was in the hall. I was in the hall and she come in there and leg up. You know what she gonna say? I might bat if you Lego free. But I want Lego a kicking next time in poop and send it back right when
touch me picnic for poop. Me understand the other day when we come, you grab up her here. You not buy no here, but you grab her here. But I agree because she did reckon out her order.
This is the first thing you tell her parents.
Touch me picnic for poop.
That's the way you gone bad. You put in fast here. And you saying chat to you because you make him be a lady. Yes, when you have a look at
yes, lady, not girl.
Do not make them do their nails and toenail, their eyelash, their makeup, then put in ear because they won't talk to you like a big woman.
Sorry, me, I look when you get sex change. Me want to know when you turn woman. And guide me how my girl child for dress. Me want to know when you turn woman. For come guide me when how my girl child for dress. Huh?
You remember what happened to Cuz? You remember what happened to her?
That is cause an anti-business. Me is
in
not.
Up him
me
when
is
he
not
at 12.
Me is not.
Breed when my 13.
She passed 13 and she not breed. She passed 14, she not breed. She passed 15. She passed 16. As a matter of fact, right, you know she legal and she not do that.
Who if you tell her that she not dash her belly? Come tell her that yesterday when she come and she raw. Who if you tell her that she not kill it?
Papey.
Answer my question. Then I get pick me again.
Time my glasses before my current dark pie, Papey. Talk my daughter in your mouth. If you don't have nothing to say, take my daughter name out of your mouth and stop wish down thing for me picnic.
But teach you something. So there got people here called stay. You do not bring company with you. You left your picnic somewhere else. Left in my park.
Me picnic they on my back.
Because you know.
Me not the like a man. Me not breed man and just gone so.
Me one there, you know. Look, me one live here, you know. And my gas serve me for 1 year. No, you come here and your picnic. You not go last me for 2 months.
So me tell you, so me not gonna help. Huh? When you did dump on your backside before mommy gone, and you dump on your backside and mommy bring you in, huh? What you don't know is that mama used to turn to me. When she couldn't find nothing but rock stone for putting a pot.
Yeah, all right.
And me she turned to. You find out now. Huh? And I never remember your name.
Let me correct it to you now. You find the money, right? But a mommy me eat from.
So how
mommy me get everything from.
Food for buy me.
I don't matter. She could have even go over the bridge. She me get it from. Not you. You should have carried money come give me.
Alright.
If you want help me, you help me. You don't pass it to one and then the next and come to me. It don't reach to me.
No problem. It don't reach you. You're not bang belly when we did it at mama house.
Mommy money. When they give to her, for her, it belongs to her. Then she spend it for me.
You really teach me something.
No,
I'm grateful. Yeah. Thank you. You really teach me something.
If I give you this phone right now,
why?
and you take it, give your daughter, I know me come from. And you come from because me give you. And that me I try make you understand, I give you. And
why?
You give it to your daughter. I can't go take it from your daughter. And you have to take it.
Desperate and you need people help.
That's why, you know, if you
why? Them take your little asking for help and throw dirty water and shit in your face. No problem, brother, no problem.
You see why I'm cutting here?
No problem.
You see why I'm in a ras again? Because this is the thing. I can't mix in that line of language we don't know.
Hi, let me tell you something before you bring on ras into this. First of all, you did dread, you're not ras.
Yeah.
You not Rastafari is a liberty. You never live. You have little knot up on your head. You're not Rasta. You're dreadlocks. And you cut that. So no bother bringing about Rasta life. Me can tell you about Rastafari. Cause me live it. You are dread cause you want to smoke your weed. Excuse your look. Cause when the police hold you, I'm a Rasta. This is my sacrament. Until you say you got baptized now. A church make you cut off your hair. Nobody come talk to me about nothing. You too lie.
Me want you know. I give you 2 more days to find work, you know. If you don't find work in a 2 more days, dog now only give me supper, you know. Dog and give me everything from you.
No problem. Help me with clothes. Can you expect me to find work in here 2 days in material clothes?
See there?
Huh?
You cut out
you cut the
pants. You cut the pants. Why sense? You have money. I never
me have to borrow this from Riri clothes.
I
have no clothes.
I saw you that and the clothes. That the map ticket we passed yesterday.
Let me come out to your site. You see?
You better go check it in your ears. You better go check it in your ears.
You should get it from. And you should come out to let me leave before me do something. Oh.
You watch me on him. I wish you there. Yes, you Mr. Pupisha. Yeah, cause I from there me see you a poop, you know. From there me see you a poop. Let me ask you something. You feel like you come here to live free rental? Eh? You come here to help clean up your place. Cobweb down the place. You can't come up here for place and not treat it good. You understand?
So you never know say we cobweb down your place before me come here. Or if me never come here, we don't know say cobweb up in the ceiling we want clean.
I never use this back room in it. I only put it to reserve.
Suppose somebody come and want the house rent. I say, would I give him and tell him, say, me have to clean down cobweb?
Rent way? Yeah. Me a rent place, but like a landlord. Me can't put up with no nasty people. Cause me, if I was a real landlord, me pay
me can't see this place nasty. That's what I'm telling me now. Me don't know what mommy make me waste. Come down and suck them assault and take them a bad liberty here.
No, an assault. An assault if you suck.
How?
Suck something better than assault. More salt. Yeah, suck salt.
Me never turn on yard, you know. Me have to walk come there and say accent, you know.
You lucky.
Yes, me walk from just to reach here and at least me come up in a. You feel me not hear out the door, a class, me mom, me dash your belly. You this me dash your belly.
You laddie. You dash with that. Me no. Look for your ears or your ears, say a young girl. Eh? Look for your ears to say you're 16. Eh?
So I mean ears, all I have bad.
Look for your nose. You put in you see if I were your daddy.
Thank God say you know me daddy.
When I don't clap your prisoner, no miss me, you know. Cause they give me life. Because when I don't box you, you know, no face left.
Oh.
Only if you act like a pitney.
I mean not like a pitney. Just show me boy me nose. What is that?
Skettle ways.
What's getting?
Any young girl we bore them ears up here, so, and them nose and full up of piercing.
Any man allowed chat with them car, we call him. You know, some me there, me been a success for too long. And me get one day, me go just, it's all go either turn over or go down, and me go disrespect you. You work for it, sir. As my uncle, before you guide me, you dey tell me, boy, me to clean cobweb and wipe down your room. What for wipe down your room? You know, I want woman.
What we guide you to?
Show me road and protect me.
If me, the last time, you were here when you was 10 and I said to you, say, come on, we're going to church. What you said to me, say? Huh?
Say me no remember call on that day.
You tell me, say, church after the week. That's the for me and tell me.
Wicked people don't got at the church then. Wicked people don't got start the church. Me and you not got no start the church.
Mama, back up your mouth. Anytime you mention start the church in your mouth, take it back out, here. Take it back out. Cause first thing, your mama not no money. Your mama not no house. And my roof, your hand, me can put on the backside out of the door, you know.
See, and then Sunday you use gangs. Just so
We
me
can-
don't have no money and no house. So me don't know what me money that bill one house, you know.
Me-
Ah, come out of this stuff,
Oh, me just remember this. You see the toilet? I realized that you flush the toilet more than 6 times, you know. Let me tell you this.
Me not to spend top on nobody, please.
I put a lock up on my toilet down there so before I go down in the pit. And I mark where the water is. And we can be so much water only use. Only is a dirty, nasty, disgusting family. Me don't know how some people
And
put
you
up
know,
with
say
it.
wicked better go on. Leave me alone and go on.
You know me own house, I can't go kids. You know me own house.
Mommy!
You know, she not there. You know me own house. You know me own house, I can't go with it. Eh? How you do? What you do? Hey, don't ramp with me, you know. Don't ramp with me. You see, under my roof, come with my rules. You hear me, I say? You see, next time you talk to me, so, you're not going to like it. I told your teeth, you're going to take out. And you see, nose ring, me just hold it and go, so, pew! And pull out it. Tell her that. And when you know me, also wear no skirt, no dress, no shorts. You wear good clothes. You be picnic. I don't wear no tight scene neither. You fit just like a lady. And that just like a skettle. There's two things different from a lady and a skettle. A skettle wear short skirt to show a man under their foot. See them? I bend over. Then the style and work yourself. I'm teaching you something how to be a lady.
No,
Yes, tell me now, guide you. No, me I guide you.
guide me, alright.
Take out the pole tick there out of your ears. You hear? Take out the pole tick.
I'm a weapon.
Me believe you. I believe you. This shit not far from the block. You hear? I believe you, yeah? Alright. Me don't hit upon your last chance.
You know, see the man that wicked. What's the man this hurt me? Mash up head out the board. Mommy gone. You see that bad baby see me today as I suck sprout with until she come here.
Hey, girl.
What you did there?
You work enough. Try find work. Your uncle them pressure me hard.
You know, say uncle come in here come beat me.
What do you mean uncle come in here come beat?
I tell me about how me to clean. I take down cobweb and clean your room and clean everywhere.
Do you feel clean, yes? But what do you mean in beat you? Beat you how?
In use and bag and lick me head in the board up over there, so.
Lick your head where?
Over there, so mommy.
Hold
And
on.
then you beat
Hold
your
on.
broom and lick me.
You do what?
Get the broom and lick me.
Hold on. You did backtrack him first?
No, mommy, you
So
come
when
in
you take
here.
up broom and lick you for? Lick
Me
my
don't
picnic for?
know. Just for me tell him, say me now go clean no cobweb because me come here come see it.
And I let him take broom lick you for?
Yes.
When
And
then?
so me say, him fi learn fi guide me, I guide him fi guide me, and I beat him fi beat me, and I talk down to me. And instead me fi go ring out this out of my ears and tear out my nose.
Hold on, and him buy nothing give you? I him give you permission for pierce your ears. I him buy nothing give you to ring out and take out what? You alright, let me see you. You don't have no scratch? You have no mark?
No, mommy.
Where him hurt you? Him hurt you?
Yes, my head hurt me.
When there?
We pass him out the door to say I wash.
Wash?
Yes.
Me go deal with that. Lick my picnic? Lick my picnic? Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
You alright?
You know, so me meet you the other day, me never get your name. I see your name again.
I'm Shaz.
Nice to meet you, Shaz.
And you, what's your name?
My name is Kayla.
Kayla. I wanted to say thank you,
You're
That you
welcome.
really helped me the other day and all when you don't know me. But me not have nothing upon me right now to give it back to you. But me'll get a job and we'll work and find myself together and we'll pay you back.
No, you don't have to bring back a time. You tell me that with a will in a heart. You understand? I kindness in my heart, you know?
Thank you.
Sometimes I help people when they're in need of things. You understand? Even when you laugh, I have to help them. You understand?
Thank you. God bless you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God. Right now, me I look at work. You know, anybody I look anything, me'll wash, me'll clean, me'll babysit, me'll wash car, me'll do anything.
You know, so me I tell you the truth. For God love. Me myself want a job. I don't have it. See, so? It's a little bit of syrup in a water back of me a drink. I don't have it. I broke like a dog. Broke than even dog.
You know that
I'm
one.
sorry for the situation we're in. I said, but who you up with, by the way?
So-called family. Girl, me no know. My spirit take you. Me feel so me can talk to you.
Uh-huh.
Maybe it's into a problem with my baby father.
Yeah,
right?
you did tell me that, yeah.
Aye. And me and my daughter have to lift up quick with the clothes from my back, And I say, we'll walk. The tail to my mouth dry. And me come to my brother. Can you see how me and him did live?
Yeah.
And with that same mother, You see when we grew up, him and my bigger brother. If fly pitch from me, I saw him and lick off the fly. Not even fly can pitch from me, So you see when the shit hit the fan, me come to my brother.
So why your brother home?
He turn up and him sour face for me and my niece.
Who your brother? Who your brother?
Popeye, you hear me
yeah,
ask him the other day. When we come, if me come in the room, him gone out to the room. When we come the other day, him not even tell we say gone, him gone, When you see me, I walk and I look for him. God bless you.
No, mommy, I tell you, Papa, I need to get better. Papa, I need to get better. And Papa, everything is not like Papa, I don't have it. Papa, I can more than help you, man. Give my behave, so. Don't cry, don't cry at all, don't cry.
In my pressure me, right? Like you said me not try. Like you said me not do nothing. It's me and my daughter,
Understand.
Like you said me not gonna teach my daughter to be independent. And come for me today. Me sorry, baby, but and come for me today. Find a job. You find a job, yeah. Girl, this is my daughter clothes, Me no wear tear up clothes. At this we have to drag on and run out of the house. When him a beat me. And me can't take it no more. And then Papa come to me say, you find work yet? You find work yet? You have to do this. Girl, him even tell me with my 16-year-old daughter, him are the only man can lock door in a house. Huh? Me might be desperate, but me not down.
Oh, God.
My daughter for come out the bathroom as a 16-year-old and a locked door. No, sir.
So, Papa, I look wife and you own a niece.
Me no, but no, man. You know what Duppy take him, Me
need to talk to the man there, because Papa is not going good in her life. Me need to talk to him.
Because why me never see this coming. My own brother. Sometimes family wicked,
And one advice alone I can give to you. And that advice is just walk until you find work. Because me assure you say, all me, for sure the system mash up, You don't want to know, say, if me forget to work at hotel right now. It come like say me have to be friend with one police. Like me and one police have to be friend. Come here, say, No, sometimes I'm prison for that. I'm in a station, go beg friends for police. So, that come
The
about.
world set funny, it's set for keep poor
This
people down
system do
and
not
rich
like black people.
rich. Here,
Yes, I said for true, but as I said to you, Charmaine, God will provide, you will make it out. All you have to do is just walk and believe in a God. You see, I know that a man that they do look a black construction site. If you know if you lift black, you tell him say we lift black and put it in that man right there.
Yeah, man, we'll do anything. Thank you.
Alright. Go on, me I come go for Papaya now.
Me I go straighten myself up. Me look alright. I gotta talk to him.
Yes.
Me look alright. I gotta talk to him. Thank you, yeah, girl.
Yeah, you're welcome. Bye-bye.
Later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
How are you?
I never know say I saw you like one in a life.
Oh. Good, that's it. Nice.
No, you're not going nice, you're not going good.
Woman,
So, you can tell me, say, you have your sister, right? I actually tell you so. Come me say up on you with a body living here, what time?
Oh, man, I have to check him with blood, because sometimes some of them woman, you have to check to see if they're sick.
Maybe it's about your woman fancy. Me I talk about your sister.
Anyway, you're good, you alright? Huh?
Papa, me know you hear me I say.
Huh?
Me know you hear me I say. Me know you know them.
No, I'm not here.
Me I talk about your sister Charmaine.
Oh, you're hungry?
No,
You're
I'm not hungry. God, Jesus. Can Papa something with the ears? Me I talk about your sister who you not take care.
About me, you come and talk about me.
You know, see, you know, see your heart not clean, your heart dirty. Have you say you go to church? Your heart is very dirty.
How far? Yo, let me tell you this. My heart always clean, I drink coconut water at least every week. Then when you drink coconut water, I wash off your heart.
Your heart not pure at all. No pure this is the heart.
You think I syrup this? Don't mention
yeah.
I'm pure.
Kalkana, me can't believe say you have your sister and you treat your sister so bad.
Oh.
All your niece you treat bad.
Oh.
You're so bad mind, man.
Me bad mind?
Your sister to me on the road and said about living your water. Say yeah, say she can't go look work, bills to pay and you not take any hottest thing about it to Papa. She go say yeah, say they don't have no privacy. So her young 16-year-old daughter must walk around. You see your own and his front. Oh, you're so perverted.
No, when me say they not no privacy, me mean like they don't have no talking on my oath to lock certain door.
Well, she said she have to lock the door when her daughter they come out of the bottle, so she go and lock it.
Not about that part. Because me myself tell her to wear long clothes.
Well, I mean, if you got better, I help your
so
sister.
She come party and chat me.
And a ball, she not chat
me.
No, she not chatting you. She's explaining to me what happened, Papa. She has said she has suffered, Papa. Her own baby father threw her out. Yeah. And she walked. She said she came to say she walked for one night straight. And when she come, she hungry like a dog. You know, say I make her 200 when she look for the other day. The other day when she look for that 200, I'm look for that girl, you know. And I look back for the 200 the time me talk and me do for her. But me I show you something. You too bad mind, man, and corrupt.
Me can ask you a question?
Talk.
How you know say I did my sister?
Me never know see your sister when me give her the money. I never knew that. You know me know see your sister? Today, if I never know how you did your sister. But I tell her the day say over Miss Pew's yard. Because I think I never see you. I see them, me think, say I did what I did think I would your woman them. Me think I want your woman them, but I never your woman.
Yeah,
and your sister. Me now watch your papa. But me come with say you're too corrupt, papa, you're too corrupt, man. You can't give woman one better room. Better say back room and give the woman. No window, no door, one exit.
Let me ask you a question. If you get somewhere free if it's here, you not take it?
Yes! But you can't let them a prison now. You don't have no window and no back door, only one exit. If you want to see bun gun, God forbid it. Then gone.
Where last I go? Funeral for days.
You know me not like your style. I'm gonna leave you be. Mr. Come if I talk to you and take good care of your sister.
Me I had this good friend until my sister come here now and interrupt and didn't make life. You make me a draw a line, you know. Cross you know. Because you see, you know, when you hear people business, you're gone. Right now, we know you, they put on the road, go chat this now, you know. Because you lavish your mouth too much. If my sister come back, they go talk to him one more time. Do not carry me business on the road. There's a song says the people business and leave it alone. Why you don't listen?
We can't leave this business here alone. It's a business you need father God in like you're too wicked. Now hot son. Papa, I know you have money, Papa. Oh yeah, you can just build one house. You have money, you know. And I like you don't have it, Papa. Papa, you have it.
You know
one house.
when she did there, your husband, nice two-floor house, cock up in a AC, right? Eating big steak. He never knows and turn there come when the man put him out. The man, me, she not tell me, you know, but when he come in, I go and flash in her face. The man take up a nice young brown skin girl. So when you see the girl, hot like a 10 fireside. Tell me now. You tell me.
No, mix up conversation with you
If
right
my
now.
sister is smart enough and standing at the house, she don't have it's either the bottom floor or the top floor because guess what? It's one thing in our relationship for 5 years, I take 5 years, even if I don't pick for the man, half of every damn thing is for you because you're legally married right there, so. You understand? She not smart and that.
I you too blasted bad man and that with you, not me come go me yard. Come on, me have nothing.
You know what is bad mind?
What is bad mind?
People like Uno.
Me? I don't bad mind nothing what you got. I like see other sister. You want to take good care of that time me say me take my leave.
You're bad mind.
You and Father God gonna whip you. God gonna we saying God whip you. You gonna know how God will deal with you.
And make God whip me if God should whip me. I'm good with it. Okay? Don't come back on my yard. Yeah, I'm bright.
Oh, Popeye. What happened with you and Riri earlier? Cause she tell me say you put your hand on her. What happened? What happened?
Let me put my hand on him. You should have known that. I see a lot of bruises and a mark. That look ranking, chilliping, pilliping, kunomono. Me not know what else to call him. That girl.
So you not let me pick me?
Me tell her that I did lick him. If I did, not him, her. If I did lick her, she'd have to the moon by now. That girl ain't no man at all. The girl all up on me and think I can man in my house. Him a go breathe under my roof. You
How
tell me
she
now.
tell you that and she not even have boyfriend? Man, make up story about me pick me, you know?
Me no make up story. That them look a piece
Because
and
right now, Papa, me look for my daughter have a cup on her forehead. So how me pick me get cup on her forehead, Papa? And when me leave, me she never have no mark on her forehead.
listen me. Ask her about the man that coming on my yard and me run her down with the machine.
From my face.
Me tell her that. You see that little girl we have in there? She's nothing but a piece of B-I-T-C-H-E-S.
Mine when you say about me pick me. So Papa, me like for one, you know. Cause mama teach me never you hit first, but you never you take the last blow. So me love for one first. Me never there. So me know what go on with you and pick me. But me know when me leave out me pick me fine. And when me come back me pick me, I tell me say you lick her and now she have mop on her head coke come up. So make me done. Stick a pin, make me finish. You see my pick me?
Out of your pick me and me.
You know?
Out of me are your pick me. Who you believe?
Why? You see,
me
if it was the old days, you see, if it was the old days,
but
as
me,
you talk
not
about
sure
that,
I've seen she can be picked up from the hospital.
As you talk about that, you see, when it's the old days with the Popeye brother, bigger brother, me no one love.
Yeah.
Me would I say.
Yeah.
Why? Pick me can't lie. But me no know which duppy me come to. I me no know what duppy. I me no know you right now. I me see certain movements and me no know.
I want to say something to you. Me can say something to you. Stop wearing the dark glass because I blind if I see the truth when I try to tell you.
Me I take off my glasses and look in your eye and tell you the same thing. Make anything more happen to me pick me, Popeye. Me kill for me pick me, you know. Me go jail for me pick me, you know. I chew you name brother. Me come out and ask what go on, you know. Cause my head hot when it comes to my pick me, you know. All tears me I cry for my pick me right you know, you know.
I don't business head. Your head could have had like country pepper, bell pepper, chili pepper, all kind of pepper. You could have have a dozen pepper. I don't care. 20 pepper. I don't care. Your head could have had like lava.
Clear.
I don't give a damn.
Touch my picnic
My
again.
yard, my
Touch
rule.
my picnic again. Touch my picnic again and you wish I phone for the police.
All right.
Touch my picnic again.
Make sure you get up
Me
on
come-
morning and I clean up the place and I rake up the yard and I wash up the plate. Eh? Make sure you do that.
Me teach my picnic chores and manners here.
She don't
And
know
she not
none.
come as no slave.
Me see she wash
Me
plate.
see you what?
And when me take up the plate, I can definitely not see my face in it.
A good thing she not see you, not see your face in it. So you have the plate still though. If you did ever see your ugly face in it, the plate crash and broke.
So,
here what?
okay.
Me I give my warning right here, sir, and now take your foot out of my face.
You don't have no one in my yard and
Touch
my house.
my picnic
Did you
again.
put a nail in that?
Touch me. As you na business, me na care. Touch my picnic again. Touch my picnic again, Papey.
Oh my God! Oh
Me
my
don't put
God!
up with anything in-
God!
Oh my God!
Oh my
God!
Oh my
Touch my
God.
picnic, you know, gonna know God.
In my place.
Hell, you're
In
gonna
my
know the devil,
place.
and you're gonna know everything.
Do you know how I buy those boats?
My business.
Do
Touch
you
my
know
picnic.
how I build
Touch
that?
my picnic.
Do you
Me will
know
kill you
how I
raw
get
for the
Wi-Fi?
picnic.
Do you know how I pay my
So,
bills?
here what?
Huh?
Here what?
I did not
Here what?
teach JPS wire.
Here what?
I string my own
Me no
legal
business with all
wire.
of that, you know. All me business with touch my picnic. Go suck to my picnic again. Go suck to my picnic again and see what happens. Yeah, me love for one first.
You see?
Me warn you.
It want to come and
Me
fight
warn
me
you.
off. And that you know.
And you come start it.
It want to
You
come to my house and
touch
fight me off.
picnic.
And of that, any day I'm ready.
Lick her put up
Any
for
day
do
I'm
the
ready.
same.
I'm ready for you.
Ready?
Yeah?
Ready?
Any day I'm
Touch
ready.
my picnic again and see what happens.
Any day I'm
Me
ready.
love for one. Touch my
All
picnic
right.
again and see what happens.
But when me
See
done with
who
you,
name
I love
God
them
in here.
fly off, you turn ballad. You know, after Rasta be a Rasta. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ranking out all that. Riri! What up, girl there? Riri! Come. We need to go up on the road. We need to talk to you, but we're not doing it in here. Cause my facey brother ain't enough. And me will do something. So come. You go get your shoes. We'll go for a walk. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you now. Come. Make we leave the yard first. Walls have ears, in it. We need to come out to the yard because your sick uncle are driving me mad. Come and sit down in the shades.
We all here.
Cause me no want to talk around him. And me need to talk to you. We have to work out what we are doing.
Yes, sir.
Riri, answer me honestly.
This moment.
Me move my glasses to make sure she's looking at my eye them. You have man?
I don't forget, man. From me, even I leave the yard.
He may tell me, say,
Yeah.
him not put him hand pon you. Anyhow him did lick you with a see more cuts and bruises. And how you have man a coming at the yard.
Mommy,
And him have to run man with machete.
Mommy, I lie. It's best if we just pack up and leave. Cause me cannot bother. Why? When me find time for man to carry in our house?
And that me a pray because me know you.
Mommy, me didn't even leave the house. Me didn't even go nowhere. Me didn't even know nobody up here.
So where you...
I lie, Mattel.
Me know I lie, Mattel.
Mommy, can we leave then? Can we leave?
Yeah, hear what, baby? Sometimes you have to do what you don't want to do in this life. We're not in a position to leave yet. Trust me, it might give me the inspiration to leave and do something too. But we not go there, right? You know? And we a hold the blade and him a hold the handle. So, me a work and God go and help me find something. Me have to find something.
Okay.
Before the week done. Today a Wednesday before weekend. Me have to find something. If a floor me have to scrub, me have to find something. And we are going to build up. We've done it before. We're going to build up, and we're going to build up even bigger and better. Because the bigger the test, the bigger the blessing. But hear what me I go beg you for. The beg, me I beg you. Cause boy, me no know what up you take your uncle. You see, when me not there, cause me not going to be there all the time.
Yeah, mommy.
Cause me have to go work and me have to go try look place and everything. Cause we can't on here. Me can't
Yes,
take it.
mommy.
Me can't take it. Me go kill somebody. So me can't take it. So before that happen, me I beg you, Riri. Me know, say me raise you and say people have to earn respect, not demand it.
Yes, mommy.
But like how we hold the blade right now. You see if the dirty dog come in and tell you, say, lift this your glass, lift it.
Yeah.
Nobody screw up. I just know, say, enough forever.
Alright, mommy.
Alright?
Yes,
Right
sir.
now, we're handing a lion mouth. We have to take time, take it out. We have to kind of keep him sweet. Anything, he complain to me.
Yes, mommy. Cause they say, monkey never know. How you go? Monkey never know you sign tail until he lose it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mommy. So me I go back over. So which party I go now? I go look work.
You don't know where me I go. Me talk to a man about construction, he just look at me and laugh and tell me say my name woman. So yeah, make up find something. At the same time, I kinda glad him do that too, you know. Because it make me more determined. So make we batter down. Anything, you just bite your lip here. You
Alright,
just
mommy.
bite your lip and you tell me. Me know how to deal with him.
Okay.
Because for once, I'm gonna beg you not to answer him back.
Yeah.
Even though he deserve it for me. Because anyhow they name there. And that same put him hand on my picnic. And me bringing her this your world. So better that. North and south. East and west. Keep away from him.
Alright, mommy. Me I go out for now.
Alright. Go lock yourself in the room here.
Yes,
Me I
mommy.
go try find something.
Yeah.
See a bite man I come, me I go talk to it. Me have to find something because I can't take this. Baby, we go walk on the road and see if we can find anything. Anything at all.
Yeah, if I ever find something, mommy, I can buy more on juice Thursday.
You thirsty again?
Me back again.
Alright. We have to pass the shop anyway. And the last $100 this, you know? I can get you a water, yeah?
Alright.
And two I will share it. Little bit.
Alright, so, tongue around this one. Syrup.
Good evening. Good evening. Hi. Hi. How are you doing? I'm okay. I was walking on the street and asking you, please, if you could give me $100 to buy something to eat, because I didn't eat for about 3 days. So 3 days. If you don't have it, you don't have to worry yourself. Food is life, no. Food is life. It's my last one. Yeah. A lady did give me her last 200 the other. So, where you find? I walk and look somewhere. No. What is your name? My name is Shaz. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Okay. You know have anybody looking at you do anything, you know? Me wash car, me wash clothes, me will look after picnic, me will wash dog, me will do anything. You sure that you're walking on the street and looking for work? Me I look for anything, Mum. Me I look for anything. Come, that's why I give you 100. Come and know what it is to be hungry. This is the first time I've been seeing someone walking and looking for a job, because these people nowadays, they don't want to work. They just want to walk around and take what don't belong to them. And that is thief, you know. Thief, you know, you'd say theft. Yes, that is not right. You work for what you want. The Bible says, by the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. I am not working, but at the end of the day, I didn't steal your $100. I asked you for it. No, me give it with blessings, bro. And I thank you very much for this. I'm going to make sure when I buy this, whatever to eat, I'm going to bless you and God is, yes. God is going to bless you. And it's a good for you. That job, and I pray I'll meet you again. Yes, sir. And I pray that everything will work. Hopefully, if I beat you again. $100. And she gave it to me. Thank you. You're gonna be set. Next time when you see me, I know you're not hearing me, but the next time when you see me, you're going to surprise me. A big surprise about it. Riri! Riri! Come. You want to go in and go back out. I have to talk to that man now. Riri, come, man. Come and start here and then go back on the road. I just come to let you know, sir. You never get the water. You never get the water.
What do you mean by I never get the water juice? Mommy, what do you mean?
Hear me out, hear me out. Meet a lady on the road. And she needed it more than me.
What do you mean by she needed more?
She the same way somebody helped me the other day and give me her loss are the same way. You have to pay it forward.
I'm thirsty. I take your money and give people when me they are thirsty. So what me if you do
You
now?
can drink pipe water their pipe.
You run my belly. You remember what you do to me last
Put
time?
little sprinkle salt in it.
Cockafat! Why? Why? You went for the drink it to make you run the belly? Huh? So,
Papey.
you think you're better than pipe water?
Papey.
Huh?
Me a talk to you, me a talk to you.
And what you think?
Papey.
Are you me a
I talk to my picnic. What it have to do with you?
Listen to me.
Me there I talk to my picnic
Me
privately.
I talk to my niece publicly. Cause me not in a nothing name privately.
As me see.
Listen what me I say now. You see if your mother tell you say.
Mommy, I want to me a tell you.
You know as no man. You must have little respect for your mother. As much as me not like my sister. You have to have respect.
So what I do say me not have respect?
Pick the like uno. Breathe before time.
Just me a breathe.
Pick the like
No,
uno.
breathe
have a breathe when I breathe before time.
We don't know if you yam it.
Nobody got too far now.
Mommy,
Some
I'm
years back when you did discipline her.
We keep coming there, you're thirsty. I took you last unto that.
Take it out of my face, me tell you about that already.
Eh! You so damn blind! You are the last $100 and I take it come give your brother? Huh?
Give who? If my child not get nothing, me not get nothing. How we can take it?
What you have a drink?
Pipe
The
water.
same pipe water.
Me never drink a pipe water.
That's how you time so they get thirsty.
So you
then.
want to get the money
I
somewhere
think I talk
else
to you.
and give me
I think we can talk to
You
you.
know I said the
Yes, if you get licked, me try to defend you. And, yes, if you get licked, I'm tired of everybody know.
Yes, yeah, you forget 2 out of these 2. I saw you making chat to you.
If you think in your man, Sefe.
Then you
Sefe. My hand there behind me back, Sefe.
You see, 2 men know say on the love on the local powder business. I not put a hand on you. Come in a while, look more friend now. Make me hand them swell up.
You better know.
As me I say, that's why I don't go for no woman and breed them enough. I make sure I tie them up and dash them in a
Can't breed. Stop chat fart.
Because
Can't breed or won't breed. Tell the truth, Papa.
won't
From
breed
you
a
know
woman.
you not have no pick there. That means you either can't get woman or you can't breed or to 2 in a 1 year. So nobody come talk to us experts who is a
Look for me
mother.
good. That's a ugly boy. A 199 woman I got.
Yeah, not one there on you.
And I bitch.
Not one there on you.
You know why they don't around me? See when I go along. Bad mind.
Yeah.
Jealousy.
Bad worker always
Because
blame the tool. Bad
the
worker
very
blame the tool.
Look how wicked.
Bad worker blame the tool. That's
Look
all
at
I
him.
can say.
Your baby daddy.
Now bring my baby
wicked.
daddy.
The man that will go to 2 suitcases to the clothes to come out. The man go on knapsack. A school bag like a little picnic, you know, they look picnic when they run away.
Him not give me nothing. My daughter's school bag, me work hard and buy for my picnic. Why would I even give him that?
So why you never go on 2 suitcases to come out with? One.
Kind of worthless. He's a worthless crop.
The man don't work with.
Dirty man too.
And listen.
Dirty man too.
I go check my brother-in-law, because my brother-in-law for life.
Me want to know where you get brother-in-law and him not put no ring on it.
Because you see, my brother-in-law, when I ask him to loan me, I give me some money, he gives it to me. He gives me money. Unlike you when me used to up the hills, remember the man carry go a Burger King, and the man say, yo, make sure you order large. And when me hear you, small is a good thing, sir. Number 7 is medium. And I would have get a small burger.
You ungrateful wretch, you. You with your bang belly. You with your bang belly self. With me get small. Riri gets small. And him just order medium for show face because you a man and go order large, order milkshake, order hosted and comfort. You don't even have little conscience here. Talk about conscience. Talk about yourself, man. With your wanga butt.
You know what me here to with now? Oh, when you go at dinner with the man.
That we pay for. That we pay for.
The man said the bill is on him. I said, what? Billy Danny.
And that you want.
And when we look on the price list, I said, boy, I wish I would have rich like this man, you know.
Bad man.
I mean, I have a little conscience that order 3 lobster and one of shrimp.
Conscience.
Me never know when we go to bathroom, you cancel the order chicken. But the backside now. Me, I go a big international restaurant and go order chicken. Popeye, take chicken back to backside.
Popeye, we are singing him. Popeye.
You wicked.
I hope that I have the same conscience as you. Yeah? The same conscience that you lick me and that dirty rod with. I want to give you back the same conscience. What go around, come around.
You shouldn't do that.
It's alright.
You shouldn't go behind the back.
No, it's alright.
That chicken.
Me and Riri going to do the same
that is
conscience.
The reason why.
And you teach Riri how to use conscience. We're going to use the same conscience.
That is the reason why I cut my locks, because you style me.
Hey.
You style me. Right on the dinner table, you order chicken, and guess what? You're not even to make you order half a chicken, or a whole of chicken.
They come to the depths of it now.
Leg and tie.
We come to the depths of it now. Bad mind, you did always bad mind me. I'm true, my mother loved me. Come and cling to my mother.
Why would I bad mind?
And you must tell me why you bad mind me. Me don't ask you when me come here if you change sex. Cause me want to know how you are going to tell me about girl pick me and your man too. So, you fi tell me
no,
check
about girl picking me because I grow you up. I teach you well. But the moment you jump through that door, me couldn't control you again. You remember how many that we beat you to the day where
B2. B2, you're a big man now, you couldn't live.
When
me just tell you for safe. Me just tell you for safe.
No, me not beat you because you're a big man now.
And you couldn't beat me when I picked it. Remember it right. Remember it right, Papa.
The last
remember it right. True. Well, if I him, you are him, the do in the days is me God.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you go?
But when me I go?
Hello? Alright, glad.
But when me I go?
Take
your foot out of my face.
Make sure that tomorrow morning you are $20,000 for finance in this place here. Make sure you are $20,000.
Really?
Else.
Else.
Somebody is sleeping at the doghouse.
Oh God, I hope you're comfortable in the doghouse.
Yes.
Here, I hope you're very comfortable in the doghouse because the same conscience you give me and the dirty boy when we take you out for big dinner. And the same conscience me and Riri going to give. So thank you for the education. You say you teach me? You teach me well. Thank you, brother. The same conscience you use is only the same conscience I'm going to use with you.
Okay.
Thank you, brother. Thank
Okay,
you.
no say nothing.
Me don't need to say nothing. You
You
don't
must
teach
say
me
nothing.
already.
You never know who runs this yard.
You don't teach me already.
You must say, I know, Mama.
A tree for you, huh?
I know. You
A
know
tree
much,
for you, huh?
you know much white girl for the beat and the jig for building.
Only white woman you can go
You
with
know
all
who
this
much
day with a
white-
put up in your foolishness.
You know much white girl
And
you have a
you
chick.
and you know
You know
use.
much white girl you have a chick put me
You have
tongue
a
on my
brother, you know.
chest. Make them feel like
Yeah,
me
my
eat.
brother, I never want to tell you, but since
You know
Duffy
what-
possess you, me I make you know.
You know much
Word
white
on
girl.
the street is, you not have not a roll of use. Eh?
Yeah.
You know no use. With all the 199, they're not even one.
When you
How
go
long?
to the farm beach, a chick white woman and put me tongue on my chest, make them feel like me eat.
Only your tongue you
And when
put.
me go to the hotel,
Only
them me
your
take the
tongue you
money and
put.
gone.
Only your tongue you put.
I
No
don't-
one no more. All I know is the same hospitality that you gave to me and allowed me and the dirty boys to expense on you. Oh, God bless you, brother. I'm going to do the same thing to you.
Word.
Watch.
I got
Watch.
my tent back in the house here. When the shine me am here, I will burn on this. I'm gonna get the money tomorrow. So burn it down. No wait. You can't do that, huh? Yes.
Hello?
Hello?
How are you?
Fine, you?
I'm fine, thank you. From morning I've been standing right here in the sun. Till now, this time of the day. I know I don't have on any watch, but you have to understand.
Yes.
The time. I've been standing right here and I see a lot of people pass by. And I've been asking for something to eat because I don't eat from morning and nobody is there to help me. I'm just asking if you could find a little $100, just
No, I
100.
don't have any. I tell you the truth. I broke. Right now I don't eat. Right now I'm hungry. Right now I walk, go for my friend. Never get
It's just
something to eat.
$100 I need to buy something to eat.
I don't even have pocket.
You can't
Can't help. I don't have no money.
you can't help me.
Me don't have no money at all. Me broke. Me sorry.
So what's your name?
But my name is Kayla.
Would you love to hear my name?
Yeah, what's your name?
I don't know if they use those kind of name where you come from in Jamaica, but my name is Stacey. What's your name again, Kayla?
Yeah.
So where you from? Are you from this area?
Yes, I'm from the area.
Okay, anyway. I want to think of it now. You know anybody who need a little job?
Yeah, one friend of mine, but I brother treat her bad. She named Charles. Yeah.
Huh?
Sarge or Charles. She black man. I don't know where. Rasta here.
I'm just thinking if it's the same person that I have in mind you're talking about.
Yes, I have it.
Because I met this lady, I met her earlier today. And she told me that she only have $100 when I asked her to give me $100. She says the last money she have in her name.
She said one that man. She said one.
And I asked her to give me $100 to get something to eat. And you know that she took out the $100 that she have and give it to me?
That's all I got for you. And she
Her
said
name
one.
is Charles.
Yes. Me tell her brother treat her bad. So wait there. Wait. Something just a clicking on my brain.
Person.
She give you $100?
Yes.
So you have a habit for you go around and beg. Beg. What a way I never have it. If I did ever have it, I want to give it to you. They can't look at work. Big woman like you. I don't want to be a little picnic. Man, I got me. And I beg me $100. Oh God. You're really cruel in life. Because you have all having earring. When I tell them the earring and get something to eat, I walk on when I beg $100. And the woman there could have suffer. She don't have it. Her brother Papa treat her bad every day. You go beg your woman her last $100? You have no heart.
Where is speaking to me like this?
No, because I realize you're a cruel man.
Do you know me? So that's the way how you treat people when you see them on the street begging and asking for stuff when they're in need of things.
I saw me treat corrupt people. Cause you having earring. Sell the crops we have. Do you have all bag? Sell the bag. The poor woman wanna have no money. The 100. You know how that woman they were.
Look at it. This is a whole bag that a lady gave. After her $100. The lady gave me this bag and said that she's wishing me luck in life. Yes, and she prayed for me when she was giving it to me.
Well, all I can say to you is that.
Did you say your
Stop
name?
beg.
Did you say your name? Was Kayla?
Yes, Kayla.
Okay, Kayla. I think you should change your ways. When you saw people on the street, especially older people, elderly people, a matter of fact, asking for stuff, you don't know what they have been through already, what they're going through now. You don't know how old you're going to live for and what you're going to need or want in life. You don't know what is going to happen to you. You need to treat people in the right way because we don't know what is and how we are going to in need or want of something in life. I am hungry and I ask you for $100 and you're treating me like I done something wrong to you. Don't you dare do that again to nobody at all. It is not right, especially how you're young and you don't know who in life that related to you in need of something right now and is somebody you have to help them or you don't know what is going to take place in your life. So you have to treat people with love and respect.
I treat Charles with love and respect because I know that she really need it. You don't look like you need it.
It's not every children in need of something. Some children, parents do have it. So what you're saying doesn't make any sense. And some children, the parents don't have it. So they ask for stuff.
Well, I'm sorry for you. But I am broke. I don't got no money. But I say,
That
you can't look
is
for
the thing.
Charles. Charles don't have it enough. Our brother Papa I treat her bad. She have a 16-year-old daughter. Papa she have a parent. She have the one bag of something she don't have it. She walk from where she come from. Yeah, so far. One night straight she walk. And you look at the poor little woman and take 100 from her.
Kayla, just listen to me for a minute. Kayla? You don't have a good heart. Your heart is bad.
My heart is very much
First
pure.
of all, you don't know me from nowhere, and you're telling me that I am a corrupt person because I'm asking you for $100.
Yeah, walk on and
if you
ask
do not
$100.
know the meaning of words, the definition of words, a matter of fact, don't call it. Don't mention it to people. I am in need of $100, and you treat me like I've done you something wrong, but it's okay, fine.
Stacey, you know what you know, Stacey? I'm going to
No, you're going to say Miss Stacey, not because you see me on the street.
Okay, Miss Stacey.
Okay, because we are not size.
Me realize you have a habit to go around and beg.
Yes.
So let me leave you, say begging if somebody come pick the car. You get 100 this money, you want 100 more? People like you don't make it in a life, you just, you don't for us, I go look work.
I wish you all the best in life.
Yes,
Kayla.
thank you very much.
And I hope you don't ask anyone on this earth for nothing. You're going to always have it, okay? Don't worry. Pity you don't know who you're talking to. And you don't know what I'm about.
You say, man, let fire upon the clothes then. You say, my uncle's a wicked man. Oh, wicked man. You say, no. Oh, myself.
Hey, baby. You good? Yes, mommy. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate love say I fold up the clothes and I make an effort. Not give him no more ammunition.
Yes, mommy. You know, say me need to go take up the clothes in the car. In like fire out the car, my clothes them.
You like your clothes them have fire?
No, like bun garbage and see clothes them out there. But I good thing say they not like a
in bad mind, wicked bad, you know. Me no know what kind of dopey they find him so. It's really not the brother I know. Or I knew.
Well,
you never say nothing to him.
when?
When him set fire, when him start up the fire.
I just take up the clothes them and come in. Wherever.
Again.
Yeah, go on the road.
Remember say, nobody start from me now, you know. I remember the lady me tell you, say me give her money to go buy water.
The woman
Nobody start from me, nobody start from me.
Me can't be saying I go look for that woman. and then
because she did say, they did ask her if she know about her work.
Mommy.
And she said, next time I see her, she might be able to bless me. So I'm going to say, hopefully, we can see her.
Mommy, if I come back here and you man a bless you now, but go look for her now. I mean, I go be the mother now.
Me?
Because you get the man you want $100
You're going to be the mother. You take on the responsibility then. No, me no mind.
Big
So you worry about Papa and everything.
So, mommy, when last daddy call you?
Me block that. Let me teach you something. Me not stop you from having a relationship with him, because no matter what going on between me and him, this to your father. That any man put them hand on me and say red and say fair. Once they still alive, me done with them. Is either them unalive or on there with me. So since him still alive, him on there with me. Okay? No matter what your father.
You call me and say, you say, me alright. Sometimes I'm alright. You say, if me I come with you.
When you... Are your father still? So what you say?
Because I don't know, me have to ask mommy that first.
Good girl. So tell me something what you want though.
Me want to go for my pop. Me not like that, you know, so me not like that. Your brother from man, you know, a wicked man. He wicked. I never tell me, say, him never put his hand for me, but yet he did lick me.
Me know.
I see, God, I go send him.
Me know. Because who job bless no man curse and
right.
We are going through it right now. But you see when the blessings come, it's gonna come fast and hard.
Yes.
So make it along.
Because I will say the monkey and one tail until he lose it. So that
I can't believe us, so my brother really I carry on.
You say until he lose.
Me can't believe, baby. Me can't believe. All me can say is, I'm sorry you have to experience that. The whole thing, me sorry you have to experience. But not kill you, make you stronger.
That's true.
So, me go up on the road. Let us see what we can see, because at the end of the day, still a look work.
I'm hungry too, so make sure you come back and with something.
You're ever hungry. Well, you're the mother now.
You know, see, you're
ever hungry.
So I'm not hungry.
No. Because everything you get, you're still hungry and not satisfied. You're the mother now? Or you're the child now?
I'm the child. I'm going to look for the room, because I'm sleep out in the room. So, yes, I go look for your friend.
Yes, ma'am. I can catch you while you're in this good mood. Yes, ma'am. I can catch you while you're in this good mood. Wow. You know what? Let me pray and make sure, say, there's more chance we catch. What's your name? Stacy Ann. Oh, God. Ja, I'm coming to you. Can't go on my knees, but me I come to you begging, Lord. You know my heart. You know what we got through. Me and my baby got through. And you know what we have got through now with my brother. Lord, do help me. Help me, please. I'm not asking for much. Let me see Stacey on the road. And God, bless that woman. Bless that woman, because me don't know something about her. The next one I want you for help, Lord, Kayla. Oh God, she's a God-blessed angel. She take her loss. And Lord, me not do it for this, you know. But you see, like how me also take my loss, like how Kayla do for me. Do, Lord, me I beg you. Make me meet Stacey on the road. And make sure some good news for me, Lord. Make sure some good news for me. We can't take no more. I don't know how much more we can take, Lord. Do, please. Please, Lord. I don't know how much more we can take. All right. Lord, do protect my baby girl and protect me and keep me. In your name, I pray. Jah Rastafari. Stacey Ann, how you doing? Oh God, me glad to see you, you know.
Your face can't come out of my head. You see what you do for me the other day?
Oh,
I am
no,
so
no,
grateful.
man. That's how it works. Oh, you know, sir, and you may walk street and wonder that because, you know, if we get the
I
grace
wonder
to
if you
buck you up.
you would see me?
Yes.
Let me tell you, God works.
Oh, God, God
Listen,
work in mysterious
in
ways.
mysterious ways. And the devil work in mischievous ways. So, you did listen me to them, man. You know me always up on the street.
Yes. And that we even pray and ask God, you know. I remember the other day you did say you check and see if you could find anybody who was looking for a job. I remember we won't do anything, you know. We won't do anything. You hear anything about work at all?
You sure?
Yeah, man, we don't do anything at all. Anything at all. We will wash, we will clean, we will cook, we will babysit, we will walk dog. We will do anything, Stacey, and I'll wash dog, we will do. We need the money.
Alright, don't worry yourself. Each one can. Yeah. Understand? Each person can help another person.
Mm-hmm.
So listen to me. Me know somebody. We need somebody to swing up the other.
We'll take it. For real?
Okay, yeah man.
Yeah, oh God, thank you. You don't know what you do for me.
Yeah man.
Alright, wait there. Wait there.
Let me tell you, I'm going to show you a person. Or
Yes,
you talk
please.
to the person and then take your meet the person.
Oh God, thank you so much. God, no, I need to get out of my brother's house. I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more.
Carefully, your brother.
Mm.
When you say brother, how you say play on your brother now?
If I could tell you, you wouldn't believe me. No, so you know, for so now even the time of need, my baby father kicked me and my daughter out. We come to him for help. Me not even set foot in the door good. He froze your face and start showing me and my daughter funny vibes.
Your brother, your
My
blood brother.
brother, me and him share the same mother. We grew so my bigger brother fly couldn't pitch for me fame, you know. Why?
So your brother cruel and heartless and wicked. You sound like one evil person.
And when me turn my back, that's why you see me on the road, me for rush.
Anyway, you need to take me to your brother. Me need to know him. You have to go show me who is your brother, because me need to talk to him. Because you can't have one sister so and they deal with her so bad.
Then I need to get out. That's why you see me do absolutely anything, Stacey, and I will do anything to raise the money to leave. Me and my picnic can leave that house.
So, you agree if you carry me, go show you who. Cut. So you agree if you carry me, go show me who is your brother?
You know, so at this stage, Stacey, I'm not care what happened. So yes. Because you can't handle no worse. You can't make the situation no worse. You might try run me and I try run my daughter out when in memory short.
Alright, listen.
It's an exorcist me need fame.
Alright. I understand. I can feel your pain and I heard the sadness down in your voice.
And I even mean I'm a baby girl.
I understand what you're going through. And you definitely need a job, and I'm going to make sure that person that I know needs somebody to rake up the yard and everything.
Oh God, thank you. God bless you.
Yes. No problem, man. It's a blessing, and it was a nice day. And a blessed day I met you.
Oh God, true blessing for true.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
You can show me
Yeah, man. Come quick. Oh God, yes, please. I have nothing. No. You can't make the situation any worse.
You sure about your brother? He didn't have no dog in a yard. You sure say him somebody make it dog?
I'm supposed to respect everybody. And no dog in the yard. They ain't pussy in the yard. The only dog in the yard is him, and him not know.
Because if you don't have anywhere to go, why they really want to put out you and your daughter? I'm niece and you are stop.
Me not doing nothing.
Come, let's go.
Me help my mother feed him when he was down on his ass.
Me need to see. Come on.
Come. Take care of her.
Hello. I'm a club yardist. This is not a club. We don't want your dance. I'm telling you about the shot. You holler? Eh? You holler? Me tell us I can't tell alone where them something there.
Tell me yard me in a.
A man yard you there.
Which man yard?
Just properly.
I'm in yard me there in my bedroom.
Cockafat. Ross. Are you one? You and your mama ever nearly this?
No.
Eh? You know how much years me build this? When your mama in a big upstairs and downstairs, down our gum AC float on the legs, right? Mm-hmm. You don't know how hard you work on this? Me have you walk on beat with my tongue long out. Like a them jigaloo. Ask your white man.
You did one walk on
eh? To build this. Huh? You know how many nights me sleep without this door? Huh? You know how me get the money to buy this door? Huh? It's a white girl me pick and buy it. You and your mama now gonna live off of me. That's why I rather stay on the girl than shop.
Put on his shovel.
Put on his shovel. I want to get rotted. What me tell you? What me tell you?
Which card?
Wait there. What me tell you?
Your JN card?
Oh. So you know it?
You mean by me know it? No, me don't know it. My mother have a JN card.
Your mama broke. When your papa put him out, not $1, I don't give a damn. Hello. No, me do. Don't touch me do. Your mama ever buy one? Eh? I don't like Uno. I don't like you. Now my sister is 200 is the termite.
Oh, we are termite. You're wicked. You're wicked.
There are 2 crackers in there. 2 single crackers I get up this morning and you me. You're not supposed to make a left cheese, get the dog.
Really hungry.
Oh. So your mama come bring you me down. And now I'm buying nothing here. Well, I put some sugar and water in there now.
You're not chitty. Up there on the board.
Listen to me. Don't touch me doing. Do not touch me doing. Where your mama there? From morning, your mama gone for the road. You go for the road. Me not see me come back with nothing.
Hi. Who you pick up shovel to? How shovel coming in is me? I understand that.
What you see
what me have to deal with? I kill me, pick me. What am I doing? Why am I lift the shovel?
Shut your mouth.
Why you lift shovel to me pick
I think he said only lick me and I'm here with it.
What kind of shovel you lift? Somebody pick me.
Oh no, not deal with decent people. Shut them out. What's up, Stacey Hilton, Miss Hilton? Great. Yes, I sent a resume in your hotel and I didn't get to, you know. I want to know what's going on, ma'am. I'm glad I see you in person, you know. Every time I come there, I ask them for you. You're busy. You're looking good. Don't mind them. They are witches. You don't mind them. So, what's going on? How you know them bushy area? You know, for them boy to pick you up.
See, because of your stupid mouth, that is the reason why I do not hire you at my place, because you talk too much.
What we talk too much with?
Your mouth is not yours, and you always try to get yourself in problems.
What?
You do not know how to speak to people properly, and you have a bad character.
No, man.
You have a stinking character.
Don't touch me. You're wicked. You're a wicked uncle. I don't know where your mama get it from. And the
hospital this year.
I don't
want hospital this year. Pick up shovel to my picnic.
Excuse me.
Sorry, I'm sorry you have to come and witness this, Ian. But now you see don't touch me. Now this is my brother.
You tell her good things about me, yes. Wonderful.
I don't think so.
Eh?
She told me everything that is bad about you.
What this crop?
And just looking at you from your head to your toe, I know that.
He who
she's
laughed
speaking
last, laughed the best.
Don't make
Take your foot out of my face. What? No worry about that. Take your foot out of my face.
It was just the evil side of me was getting out. Let me put it back down.
Beer evilness. Beer evilness is happening out.
Yes, ma'am.
They call me Papey, but my name is J. Mike.
J. Mantle. Jamanto.
Oh, yeah, that was
A Jamanto your
application.
name.
Yeah.
So this is the way that you're going to behave in my organization?
No, mom. I love white people. I love to church them. I treat them good. I can cook.
So you feel that I should employ somebody like you with this character?
Oh, with this character?
Yes. This kind of attitude, the behavior that you have, that's what I meant.
Well, between me and you. Sister, I woke up your palm. That's why sometimes.
Shut your mouth and stop telling lie from me. Oh, you do a lie.
That's a feeding list.
Look how you lie, John. This is how you lie, John. I lie myself. Don't tell lie from me. Take that.
Hello. Control your mongrel.
Why are you guys trying to get me crazy at this specific
No, sorry,
moment?
mom. It was the easy side come back
Can't tell
again.
lie from me.
This is how you guys behave in this area?
No, it's them.
Him
not
bring
me.
me out like this, Stacey-Ann.
You don't need to behave like this because you're
Me come and he real shovel to my picnic.
No, listen, you're
Real
getting
shovel to my
ignorant.
picnic.
Remember, I told you that I have a job. That I know somebody need somebody to take care of that job.
Yeah.
So please, you have to be careful how you behave yourself.
Yeah.
Because if this is the attitude that you have, they're not going to employ. You understand?
Real shovel to
This
my
is the
picnic.
person that you told me about it.
Good thing.
Yes,
Good thing
at
they
least
tell
you
her.
see it for yourself.
Good thing they tell her. Good thing.
Me tell her the truth.
What truth?
The truth and nothing but the truth.
What
the
truth?
whole truth
Tell me-
and nothing but the
tell
truth.
your husband-
And you
tell-
don't worry about it because you can't handle the truth.
You tell her I say your baby daddy throw you out. I'm gonna take you up with your hungry belly. Welcome back to Kayla Films. Remember, before me even say nothing first, make sure you hit the subscribe button because subscribe is better. We see the channel and go. Share it though. Share it to each one of us, share it to 10 people. Please support Kayla. Kayla come a long way and still going. Remember, I say I go, me I go, them I come. Share it because we tell them, say, listen me, only is the future now. I am not the past yet, but remember. You there? What you do the same way? Subscribe!
Hello, Princess. Good morning.
Morning.
You have a minute out here time.
Alright, I'm fine. Right, I'm tired.
I come down the road and I tell you something to look for you. You're so fabulous.
Real?
I always see you still, and I always admire you. See
That's
you pass
nice.
more while still. I always look for you and wish you could have in my life, but I know if it could have happened.
Why? I think it could have worked in a France. But that's a cool our relationship, And my life boring. I don't know nobody to talk to.
Relationship where you come out of each other disaster.
Where it, may I tell you honest truth, I have worst relationship me ever,
But you know, say, a Father God set it so though, because Father God knows me out there wait for you. So he set it up for your relationship mash up with me forward in your life.
Seems like I know somebody though.
Well, of course. For me forward in your life, everything go alright.
I like that.
I like your hairstyle. I boy love pull out hairstyle,
You can't pull up the sound and can you do it. You sell like $20,000.
That doesn't pull out and you can't buy back. Pay if you do your next hairstyle. I like when me not
I like that.
man, pull out your hairstyle and them the way.
I like man where you can sit up on the nice back and something. I like that.
Yeah, just put my number in here.
Yeah, the number now.
You get your name still, your name.
Oh, Pinky.
Everything.
Tell me your number.
799
Mm-hmm.
27
Mm-hmm.
58.
Alright, we can see that.
Copy that.
Alright.
Which side you want to say?
Up there some leave. I'll shut me come from some work up. Some
Can I get
breakfast.
some breakfast?
Alright, when ready. You just set the place so. Me I ring you, me can get my number.
Alright, no problem. Thank you.
Alright, nice
Take
to
care
meet
of
you.
your sexy body here.
Alright, love.
Alright.
Yeah.
Run away, boy, and I bring him back in your life, yeah? My crosses.
Yeah. Beer. Uh-oh. So early I got work?
Yeah, man, to go. But I have to get the phone that way,
So you can spend a good time with me every morning and get up and go work early.
Yeah, I have to get the phone and make your money. If I don't make your money, how you here do? How you maintain and bleaching and all of this.
But every morning, 5 o'clock get up. Every morning, 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock get up. Out of the bed. I can't understand how we do a little bit.
You know, I lie down for you. I lie down with you on the beer. But no need to go away.
You said I don't come say you can show you can lie down for me.
No.
Just 1 minute.
No, I need to make money. I'm supposed to down and I said, look, if you work right now, what me I got to do? If me stop work right now, who go take care of you and make it look nice every day?
You know me not like this.
What?
I don't like this. Every morning, I get up early. You get up. You didn't even kiss me a morning. Can I just get up out of the bed, go bed, put on your clothes and gone. You didn't even give me one good chips and say bed to go and work.
Most of the time, most of the time, I get up here and sleep, so you know.
But sir,
You don't know if me say in your sleep, you don't know.
I can't feel it.
You can't feel it in your sleep, but of course,
I don't sleep that so I can't feel it.
Sure. This is an argument that you push on time. I really ain't forgot what kind of. Remember, say you have the birthday, you're coming and you know you want something, you know. You know you want to continue to look nice. So I forgot what kind of.
No, ma.
Oh, yeah. You come back with your hand big kiss.
I'm going to picture you.
But that's good, Jamaican.
Every frigid morning I get up morning. You can't bother with them sisters. You should look pretty. So you can't talk to that thing. You have to look at it. You can't bother you. Relationship is not freaking good. Every morning I get up, you're gone. And tell me if you're pretty big. And you get up. Like you can't pretty big. Kayla girl. You ready? Come over me yard right now. Because we need to talk to you about something. Alright, or your panko. And don't take long. Don't spit along you don't reach. I know you don't take long.
Oh, God. Wow. Wait, buy jeans for me?
No, man, I wash me, I'm not going to work today.
Yeah, I'm going to go work either way.
Yes, no, and then because the bar's too bright.
When do you make him bright?
The money when I play from hand to belly.
So get on hard up then or do something better. Can't just stay yard every
Well,
day.
that's true. But I will. Make try. That's to make sure say buy them have to wash and clean up so we have the time for look work. Cause you know me as a man when I like sit down.
You? Where I say? You know like sit down?
No. As much as you might feel like me lazy, you know most of the time I see me the power work and I hide.
Yeah.
All because how the boss appear stingy.
But if you work stingy,
But you only give me boss. Give me a second.
Your boy I call us. Tell him hold on man. Come see I chat to your boy. But I say him pay stingy because you work stingy.
No.
If you carry
No, listen. I all from the start work the first day, I work good.
Yeah.
And when I see my first payment, I say no, I have to cut back. That's how I cut back.
No, but you must know still. So everything good.
So far, how are your wifey?
Wifey no, boy. You know, so me and him good though. This morning, I tell myself, me nah lead on with him a morning time for me to go out and sit on me. I grumble, but
No, with that now, me understand that because you have to work, and if you don't work, you know, comfortable.
yeah, but me not like how I look still. Me don't know what me can do.
No, I'm tell you what you can do. Best thing. To a woman heart, you buy them gift. Woman love gift. If you don't give them money, you give them gift. If you can pop 2 roses, you can go give them, yeah. If you can buy it, you can go give them, yeah. If you can buy them 2 jars, you buy them 2 jars. Then like that. That's when woman see that, then like that, then say you're a good woman. They go look into it and say, boy, I man now no money, you know. But he can buy them little things that just to make me happy.
You know, say a smart boy, cause you pass on jewelry place for the day now, I know say purple my favorite color. Well, yo, you know what I do, man? Yo, respect, man. Respect.
Buy it.
Yeah.
Love her. A good man.
A good man.
Cherish her because you don't know the day go come when you go there down on your face and she have to help you.
You're right, man. You make sure say sort out, man. Yo.
A fool make me lose my woman, you know.
Yo.
See, because the best friend, man, the best friend go tell me my woman are cheap on me and me now, but left my woman.
Sometimes some friends not good enough.
When me check it out, my woman they cheat. No, see it there. See that? But just stay in my one corner, you know.
Yo, me I go out now.
Alright. Yeah. Alright.
No, I think I'll see if I can creep up in the mountain. I'm going to leave you.
Girl, see I call phone. But me tell me already I come.
Well, I'm not more help to come to the boat right now. Come sit down.
Ah, go on.
Mix up.
Girl!
Say, oh my boy, this morning, oh my God, sharp. Hello?
Yeah, me say me some boy this morning.
Say from here, so. Oh, yes, so anyways. Mommy, one boy, me got shot this morning. The boy is nice. The boy just short and just pretty, so. Him better than a relationship with me, either.
You can't say that. Look how hard that we are working to take care of us. So we can give boy about
the boy don't have no time for me.
Remember that if you say not on the time pick is because him a got work. Clearly I work, him a work making no time. You know see that?
You just not get it. You just not get to let me get to the point then. Every morning you get up 4 or 5 o'clock. And then he kiss me and tell me say man go away.
But he not got work so early this morning. Me see him I walk down the road and after 9 now.
He get up after 5 be say.
Oh.
And me and sleeping in the bed. He even kiss me and tell me if he get up or whatsoever. And me have to get up this morning and go shop and come back and clean up in the house. He even pray the bed. Look how bird stay.
But him, I hear a job that for cleaning house and go out to work and make the money.
No, I know so.
Me why not go so? Listen to me. I'm your friend and I give the best advice ever. Do not give your man bun. Stay loyal to your man.
Don't give me
So the man out the man receive this money. You know say have man?
I'm telling you I'm single.
If you tell the man that,
but I'm single.
suppose I want day now you're up here and the man come over here. And your man over here. You go tell the man say,
Or may I make sure I say my come over here, may I make sure I say my man not here.
I don't think I want a good idea of that. Me and your friend, I tell you.
And why you want my man?
Which man?
And why you want my man?
How could I want your man and me encourage you to say you don't forgive your man, but how would I want your man?
God?
I could never the big belly when you sit on the road, because I don't want you, I don't want that one day, I don't know him so you can't say
His belly don't big.
You just say big and fat.
But his belly don't big, he might big and fat, but his belly don't big.
Me and your friend, I'm telling you the truth, Pinky. Stay loyal to your man. You don't know if I go find one next one like him.
When I find one this morning, instead of my money and everything.
Oh.
Your money for me ear cause me a girl.
So your man that David not done that do you hear?
I know David do this.
Oh.
And my money do it.
So we get money from the David go out and work money and give you?
Yup.
Well, at least you have one roof over your head. Be grateful. Be grateful.
And I think you come over here and come over here come tell me say be grateful, this and the I feel like you want the money, you know.
Which man?
I feel like you want my man.
Which man?
David.
You know sometimes I say me and your friend. But I feel like you did their school. You did drop and lick your head.
No, I never drop and lick my head. Because I drop and lick my head more than there. So right
oh yeah, say me want your man. I make yourself you don't give the man, but stay loyal to the man. You go for remember say
you have man?
No.
So that's why you tell me if you stay loyal, because you know the man don't want you.
Oh, so I saw you think now. I saw you pray.
And the man don't want you.
Oh, okay. So how for tell the people don't want me and me don't want them? Me have on the right one.
And the right one now come to your way. So nobody don't wait. But no want you.
Okay. You can't say me never want you. You can't say me never want you. Pinky, me and your friend.
Come out of my room and clean up in my place. Come out.
Oh, so you behave now.
Because over here to talk to you about something you can tell me say.
You call me over here.
For me be one hypocrite friend and tell you say, yeah girl. Alright.
If me get the money, me want me to come
alright,
to you and say,
alright,
girl, what I'm
hold on,
planning.
hold on, we dig back over here. Yeah girl, bun. Give the dirty boy a bun. That's what you want me to say? That's what you want me to say?
Listen to me. Put fun and joke aside now. I'm not laughing with you. And if the boy give me money and everything, me know some I'm gonna look out for your kid and say, boy, this in your hand, kid. You know that.
Pinky, love is not everything, you know. Love is not all, you know. You need to spend time. Spend time, honestly.
He must spend time with me.
He can't spend
Him not spend no time with me. So I'm go out there go look somebody else and somebody look how me nice. Look how me nice. Me can't want good in night get everybody out. Me look how me nice.
Alright then. Alright then, you know what? Make it on. I don't go up on the road.
Come up, get up off my baby.
Let me come about my business. I need to talk. I need to talk to your arm. Your phone.
Hello, listen to me. Listen to me. Now go write this one. You said thing you talk about? It I stay in my room. I said me ear it back. Are you me I come to?
Oh. Okay.
Listen, come out of my room. Bye. Every day come over here, come tell me to sit my place.
Hi.
Hi babes, what's up?
Yeah, so I play something nice.
Yeah. Pants on man, enough for you. Want to breeze?
I'm good man.
Oh.
So you do for me, God?
I clean. I cook.
When you cook?
I wash. I cook. Curry turkey neck. Alright, fries.
Maybe a big chef man.
Yeah.
I bring this up here.
This is great. It's nice. See?
Yeah, I want a necklace.
Thank you. It's nice though.
I want a necklace. I just feel like get something nice here for my road.
And a purple favorite color.
You know, I told me
Alright,
you asked me
girl.
now, so you can ask me now, you kind of feel bad about it. But, baby, you know, so make me can't be a morning time with you to cuddle up and something. But I just told me I forgot how can make your money feel happy. But I really do appreciate it. And this, you know, so it's small, but I just want to
It's
sign my
alright.
house.
But it's just it's nice. See?
Yeah, I just sitting to show my appreciation. I'm really thank you for sticking with me for all the 5 years. You know, find enough fault with you, give me a phone, cuss and stress me.
What do you mean by not give bun?
You know, give me a bun.
I'm not giving no money.
I that me just say, I didn't tell you say thanks, I'm grateful for everything you do for me. And for stick out with me. And I know so I can't buy you.
Let me say, me no, listen, me and the girl when you girl when you used to talk to, me and the man is same thing, yeah?
And the man is the same thing.
Yeah, me and the man is same thing.
I'm glad we meet you. So you like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I just that me I tell you still.
You hungry?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat something. Yeah, sure it's my curry turkey neck.
Yeah, I'll put no pepper in there.
My favorite.
Alright. Thanks again, James.
Of course.
Oh, now I'll show you your food.
Alright.
Hey! I went there, man. Be it.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
say, never call you.
One love.
You not come down work.
Yeah, my son come man. Just chill out a little bit.
Come. You talk.
So my girl knows now.
Yeah, I got work. I know you're late.
You're not late. You need the on time.
No. You're done late already.
No, man, I have an extra 15 minutes. See there, I just offer 11:45. And I told my couple I'm left out.
Come go on and work.
I'm trying to run this this morning.
Remember say you tell me, say no. You have to go work and make money and sit me, you know.
Yeah.
I'm like the gift you give me yesterday.
Yeah, but you know, I don't want to feel like 15 minutes.
You're late.
You know, late. Where you get that from?
You tell me, say, I'm get it clear to you.
Yes.
Yesterday, you in a hurry for your work, no?
Come in, me doing the part time.
So now, me or you for go work now because you tell me, say, you have to go work early, go work money if you can't come give me. And XYZ, I'm like the gift you give me yesterday. I'm going to think more like that. So that's why more you come go work. I know why your boss cuss you.
Oh, boss is good man.
Come on, man.
Me I come go.
Go on. I'm not kid work, go on.
Have a nice day.
Alright, same to you.
Alright.
I come up and you know. What was the first day? Oh, that way. Boy. Girl, look here, I'm just come here.
You put my ass for girl.
Girl, I'm some
Hey, you said more about me today. But like this year, come over here, son. I'm tired. Take a deep breath. You know, since you're on the phone with me, and you know, somebody not tell you the truth, though. Boy, the boy, mommy, man.
Oh, joke it down, man. Me I say you could never someone to give you a good man born. I joke it down, girl.
You like me make joke?
Oh, you serious? Oh.
Okay.
Say tell like boy.
You don't know, say, a long time me I see the boy. But, you know, say, me go see somebody and me don't know if they might like me. Back or whatever, you see me?
Excuse me. Continue.
I don't like that.
No, girl. At the ear, the atmosphere interrupt me no much.
Okay. So you don't know, say, regular me see boy and I'm like half the boy, but between me no want to go to the boy,
Yeah.
and I no want to go check me. Yeah, so yesterday I know the boy finally come down to me saying feel the way about me and why I never come to him about it and see. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go for the boy to come over here. How? I'm going to go for the boy to come over here.
Me did lick me head.
But me not see
My man lick me head. This man.
me not see no way cut way. Where?
I think me have a brain tumor, girl. Me think me not hear you say while ago. Me think me hear you say I go bring man over your man yard. To the house so your man left you gonna work.
As I talk about that, this man, me see my about 20. Me have to run the boy out of the house to go walk. No if nor but nor baby. Hello, listen to me, they even talk to him too hard. I say, come walk. Come out like you know, I'm going out today.
Pinky?
But that should be more than that anyway.
You know what you say me want your man or not like that again? So I'm going to be positive with you now, girl. And now tell her say, no, you don't have to do it. But you see, if you give your man bun, know how to give your man. I tell you before, you need to tell the man, say, you have your man so the man know what kind of role he play in your life. Don't have the man feel like say him are the main one, him are the main source.
Him are the main source because him look me. We like each other.
We like each other. Me, I now put my mouth in there, you know. As I said before, Pinky, you see if you give your man bun.
You see if you give your man bun. If you give your man bun.
If you stop giving everyone, come and see what that you do, right? That's what I have to say. But as I say, you go do it. Just do what you have to do and get it done. Simple as that. Not making nobody go just a sleep up there with the man and make your man come from work and something, you know. Not to do the thing good.
But you know what? Because I don't know why I come to you about this. Because that I said to me yesterday. I know you come back again and tell me something. You can't be a nice friend and tell me say yes, I right thing you do.
Yes, I the right thing you do. Yes, I the right thing you do, girl. Well, look for the man, tell the man over your man place.
My yard.
Alright, look for the man and put the man over your yard.
Yes, my
Why
yard.
do that
Same yard.
Alright, my big friend, high five. Get it done.
Yeah,
Right.
I'm go for the man, right?
I don't feel it, mama.
Alright, I'm go for the man.
Later.
Stop, I'm go for the man up there, so. Alright, go on, I'm going to go. So this is where I live.
Wow.
Man, what you mean? Touch me the light.
No, you know what greatest thing in here is so beautiful like you.
Thanks. You don't always make me smile.
Well, that's how a man should do because I'm telling you something now. It makes sense. You have a woman in your life, and every time you're around the woman sad. You have to make sure that every time you're around the person happy. You understand? Because remember, you know, them the things that make woman cheat some of the time. You know. It's when they now have no attention, no affection. You see me? And then they not get no little company from them, man. And they make something that always sad. That's just my opinion, so I feel like that's why
So,
woman
when I
cheat.
go over here now, I'm just going to answer. So, tell me what you say. I want to know everything.
Well, as I told you before, name Papey Dan. My right name, my own name. I'm a humble person, very cool.
So, you have much.
Well, what me look to you?
Like, you have about... Let me see. Yes, not about 28.
No, I'm not so much.
Yeah, it's just like-
23.
Oh.
You look like you're around 21, right? Or 20?
20.
20.
The close one.
Well, as me tell you, me not humble, You understand? Me and you in a relationship, me always try to make sure it's okay for me have it. But something kind of bother me. A nice, pretty girl like you living in this wonderful place all by yourself.
Yeah.
You're single. You're not plural.
We're not plural, just single.
Single, you're sure.
I'm 100%.
Because I tell you, see, when you are for me, you are for me. So I don't want to know, so I share you. Then say sharing is caring. Me share food, money, but I not share my woman. So I want to know, say,
it's so jealous though.
Why am I jealous over you even though I not get it yet?
So imagine when I get it.
That me I try to show you.
I'm me if you go hang yourself.
No, I not go hang myself, but I go feel a way.
Yo, you need a nice hairstyle.
You know, so basically I show my birthday there right around the corner, so I say, because Sunday my birthday, so I say,
Yeah, you didn't tell me.
Well,
Mr. Tell me about yourself and you didn't tell me your age and
this.
this.
Take time and talk and go into everything so that we can't rush it.
So, question, what you like for fun and them so many?
To be
You
honest,
come like when your mom in a matching outfit.
SEX.
Okay.
I'm like to bring out my woman as I tell her from me have money in my pocket, my woman have to feel nice.
I'm telling you, I'm a person, like, I'm telling you, I'm a person, like, when I'm a partner with matching outfit, I like, go out. I'm a going out person. I'm go fancy restaurant.
So basically, you're a person as I see. You love your man and time your man, you love your man.
Love,
like a couple things.
Yeah, romantic.
Alright, that's very awesome.
My tell you, man, like, when man just set my back way and just lock. Yeah.
Why I can't set your back way and now
See it?
Wow.
Right.
Yeah.
Nice though.
Oh, that look good if you're naked in a room now and turn over the place.
The one I like, I want, you know, I might don't feel, I'm telling you, I feel hot.
I can't cool her down that man try to know.
Oh, the one I don't come in?
Cool,
Yeah.
Losing fat. Yeah. What's up? Mrs. Davy. Alright.
I want him.
Eh?
I want my problem.
Well, go on. See how my boy I live good though. Like that.
Eh? Who?
My virgin.
Tell my business about that.
Remember business about that.
Listen to me. Him not have time for me right now. He might block my traffic.
Block the traffic?
He might block my traffic.
Mama have in the pan road. Or you block the traffic? Are you a patrol road? Are you a car? Are you a truck?
Where really combo? Where really combo?
Oh, my friend, I block your traffic. That me not understand.
Listen. He might get up at morning time. He get up 4 or 5 o'clock. He will kiss me. He will hug me up. He will want to give me a look. He just get up and go and work.
You know, we don't know, man. You see, yes, sir. We don't have the brains. The type of work we might do.
Make sure so you have the brains. I like you have done.
The type of work what he might do. You know, can't just get up out of bed and jump up and do as him feel like.
So when you come in at night time.
In your way, you forget.
You mean when you forget? What I'm getting?
What on in the dark?
I don't business about him right now. I don't care about him right now. Well, I'm just talking the truth. I don't business about him right now. What am I doing for me? You not give me nothing. You not give me what you want.
So what you want?
Want wood. You not give me that.
Oh, George. I think that's something else. Mama, once a man love you, a man love you. I understand that woman
love
have them their needs and them pleasure, yes. But it seems like you want it every day and it cannot.
Want it right round the clock. Yeah, right round the clock.
No.
Yeah.
Where just say?
I want it right round the clock. You know when the clock goes on
you want it when you
tick-tock, right round the clock.
You ever go to the sex store? Why you never buy a dildo? So what thing can do you finish yourself?
Dildo can't help my needs right now.
What do you mean by can't help your needs?
Want real things under me. If you get to point no man, you just come here so want invest in my private life. And you're one to stink.
I don't understand you.
I don't understand
My
you,
friend,
know?
where I work so hard, 9 to 5. come in, take care of you, buy you what you want, feed you.
Well, I'm not cut you. Let me ask you one good question. You have a woman?
No. Wow.
Blessed Jesus.
Wow.
No, me see it. No, me see it. Oh, so you don't have no woman. You tell me, say. You tell me this, you tell me that are my ears.
Mama, me make the worst mistake like the love of my life. Because of friends.
Nobody no want to love you. Nobody not gonna love you. You're not gonna get a good woman in your life. Come out of people's business. When you come out of people's business, you get a nice wife material. And then you understand what me I talk about.
You know what I feel like say when they talk to you. Every word not going in your ears.
Where you going now?
It look like you go down in your front because as you talk, you who.
So I'm my body more who. No my body.
Mama, a good man you get. You know how much woman out there want to
You don't understand what woman needs though. I need you know, sex to make my body healthy. My body not healthy.
Comfort.
You know what? Come go down. Go down.
But me, let's say with a warning. You see when you take up a man, will work 9 to 5, come in and give sex now and then, the only way, if you now service you good, shut up about me a chat. Don't chat when time people attack. You must listen. That's what more
not listen.
More no only learn in a school. When you go to school.
school.
You see if you pay attention, pay attention to teacher and stop stick back on one night table and stop putting a stamp paper on people. Shake your big head, we're talking. When the other man who had done 9 to 5, listen good enough. You get sex even 3 times a week, that is enough. That is well, alright.
You know, alright to me.
You know, expect a man to get up every day, morning, noon and night. Morning, noon and night. Mama, let me ask you a question. You ever hear the word home cancer yet?
When I catch no home cancer.
You ever hear about home cancer? You ever hear about circuit board leak out?
You know what?
Huh? Answer me damn question.
Hello, I'm done talking. I don't need to go write this right now.
You see what you look for? You'll get it.
Anything when you find a good woman in your life, yeah, then tell them can't talk to you.
The only good woman in my life right now is Jesus. Jesus never failed me.
Go get yourself
never
go and get yourself a woman and come out of people.
That's the only good woman in my life until that person up there send it come. Me nah look it. Because me nah look for trouble. One. Trouble.
You're trouble yourself.
If me and my friend and never friend and me see you, you'd be a trouble to me.
Where you go? No, I'm stop arguing.
You feel them bagaboo you?
Yeah, I know I'm favor bagaboo.
All you eat it and get fat. You feel them cranny bombard. You know, until you go out river go catch the little crayfish there and no flesh in the pan. That's all your favor. Oh God.
Let me tell you now. Just buy church bread and come. Why pray?
Oh God.
Damn. I did.
More and talk to you, we have to come off my phone. I don't want to talk to you because this is very important, you know. You don't want nobody to hear your business, you know.
Alright, yo, my son call her. I'm gone.
Hello, anyway. That young man that know things, man.
You want me to tell us how you look at disruption, boy?
Yeah, what we are talking. No, yesterday I before.
No, not really.
Because when you go this man, you know, Mrs. Shia Marja come down the road, you know.
Yeah.
Smell some funky way, but it don't really matter that. Because I must use starving this man. Mama a complain that she not get no wood.
What do you mean you not get no wood?
I don't know.
Papa, you can't tell her that. Me fling wood bust in your head for that. You can't tell her so you not get no wood. You can't tell her so.
Mama say, you have a problem with your yard. You not get up and kiss her. You not get up and hug her up. You not get her no hood. She want hood round the clock. Because I want to know who can go round the clock. No matter what a man do, a man can never say no sex until from 12 to 12. I don't want to see the genius do that. Mama say you want it right round the clock. Say it look like you not do it. It look like you tap somewhere on the clock. You not go round it. Me soon take your empress. Hold on, me talk to my bread in here so.
Tell me I chat to me so what you call. I see you popular, man.
Yes, because around this area, I am the community service. I serve the whole area.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Anything they need assistance at the yard. Them toilet, them pipe, them kitchen, them yard, yeah. I mean, deal with that. Me tell you, I top work for your boss, you know.
Yeah.
That is my job now. Assist the community and I make a money and a living. Even our master wife.
Yeah.
And me assist him.
I mean, assist.
The boss take Viagra and his wife never reach home one time and him have to can't go after go cut him road. Saying that no nature. So to him love his wife, he don't want his wife left him in pay me.
See the one?
Service his wife.
Allah, yeah, tell you.
Yeah.
So much I collect.
Between me and you, we get 10,000 a week. Not really much.
So how often you do your servicing?
2 times a week.
Yeah, not no bad. I'm looking for $5,000. Put in your pocket, man.
Yeah. So I'm glad to do look at 10 grand a week. So I just stick with it, work with it.
Yeah.
But I feel like that. I have a general, but I don't want to put nothing in their head.
Yeah.
But I feel like your woman and the other.
I mean by that. Give me. No, Sam. I don't believe so. I don't believe
You
so.
don't believe?
I don't believe so.
Me tell your woman I give your hand. Something alright. Cause every time woman talk to me, he might joke. Tell him get something earlier on today. Cause I tell her, when woman have sex and they don't come good. Anytime they on the road and the next man I chat to them, they come start run so they start moving, sweet them. I don't know if I want the man to talk about turn the man, but even though he does a joke and I feel this in the pan. So you need to find out what go on a yard. If you don't go there, no call me name though.
No.
No call me name. Ask him say if him plan to give you a hand. That's all. Just ask him, you plan to give me a hand? Yes or no. So find out from him.
Alright. Yo, big up yourself. Here.
Yeah. If you service your wife, good man.
I mean, man, I want to man.
If you can't service me there,
Yo,
call me.
Baby, what?
Then I be something.
Day, man. How was your day?
But every day was exhausted and I'm so tired.
Tired? Don't like you tired.
I went with my friend to them and the sun did just a beat out them. It just hurt me, so I just want to relax.
Yeah, no. That means you're not cooking.
No, sir, I didn't get a chance to cook because why? I'm going to buy a fast food or something. You know, I said to them, but now, you know, I said to them, I'm going to look for my friend. Right? Your friend got tap me.
Who that?
One man must be a Papey.
Yeah.
One little brown ugly man.
Good youth, Papa, yeah?
Good youth. You don't even know how I'm class me.
When is it you?
In time I say, oh, I look like, when I say, sour fish, we steel, I'm not shape bad, I'm not shape good. And all of them, some of them, I don't need to talk to them Monday. Them down there disrespect your woman.
So, I can't say that.
I don't know, I go about my business. I go up on my friend. I didn't just stop me and cuss me all of a sudden. So. The man say my favor, sour fish. The man say my shape bad. The man say my shape like Coca-Cola buckle. All of them something there.
So, he just here and start this or something?
Yeah, I don't know what I do him.
No, man, when I see him, I have to go put him in place, man.
You don't even talk to them Monday.
No,
Them
man.
Monday not ready yet.
I have to see him and put
And
him
I
in
say-
place, him bright for that.
Exactly, I must say how much this and that and them want what. Me there, I am man gone and work and come me up on the road, up and down on the road. Foot dusty and all them something there. The man class me in front of people, you know, me feel shame.
I put him in place when I see him and believe him after that.
Me don't know how you keep them friendly.
He
Me
never,
had them for 5 years and nobody else never yet disrespect me.
he never, show,
Everybody rate me.
he never,
And look there.
he never show me any ways there yet. I have to go see him and talk to him and say, and put him in place. I'm sorry for hear that. As I said, I have to handle this situation.
So yeah, so how was that day?
Yeah, I said, I did it alright though, baby.
Oh.
But, babes, you ever feel like you want to give me a hand?
No?
You sure?
Yeah, listen. I'm gonna tell you this. You think me, when I go out there go cheat for you, look how you're nice and handsome and them something there. You treat me good.
You have a
So,
point.
you think me like get up out of the blue so and go look at next man?
No, but, you
Me
know,
for 5 years, me never yet cheat on you, me never yet, you see me never yet talk to a man or whatever, just say my friend, if I go look for my friend, I come back to me yard and my friend come down here.
no, so
you know
I'm
that.
not accusing me of it. But it's an Axel, like,
But you just ask me that out of the blues, I don't like that.
Me the parent never yet ask me them question. They never yet, you never ask me that.
He just run across my mind and I feel that.
All of a sudden?
Yeah, try with there, so he just run across my mind. But when I say I'm nothing, then see the way I want to.
Make sure that I don't like people as, me not like that. I feel how you like me as cheat or something.
No man, just calm down.
I feel like I'm not good enough.
No, you're more than good enough. You're more than good enough. You're not good enough, man. I wouldn't just around.
You sure?
Sure.
Because, we can't say something.
Of course.
You ever think of marrying me?
Yeah, of course, me.
So you look like you want to laugh a while ago, man.
No, I'm not that because when you ask me now, me having my intentions and how to propose, but me never want to tell her. Even what day in the last week, we go look for some ring. Me never want to tell her anything.
Oh. No, okay, alright. So you're going to get some fake and I'm going to take 1.5 because I'm really tired of my head beat like a boombox.
Tell her, I'll get something for me. Just go and rest on something.
Alright then. Love you.
Love you more.
Alright. Which time you want about the bike? Look for your foot.
Yeah.
Your foot could have broken, you know?
I'm really sorry. I have to say sorry to you because you tell me if I can spend some time with you, I'm going to be on that and go up on the road and create one bag of excitement.
You need to listen when I talk to you. So when people don't listen, they're going to hurt themselves.
You know what make you vex too? Because you did want to come play up in your football field and then show that not happen on the card for a bike.
Yeah, that for reach you. So if it did come, I'm paying a
watch that man. Babe, I said about all that for reach me. Post up my
but
right
watch ya. If you didn't listen to me and Tanya and what you have to do, that wouldn't reach right now. I rang out my right.
It's like come here this now. You have to treat me like a king. Remember, I'm already a king in a way. We treat me like a king. Now I'm sure there. You come give me breakfast in bed and then the treatment there. Are you for a bed me now?
So stop getting man.
Are you for a bed me now? Because remember, so I can't move up the foot. I can't run neither.
Are your fault?
Yeah, my fault, but not sure my fault. You know, go and help me out.
Listen. I never say I not go help you out. But when I say if it ease off for the bike, you can rest the bike.
You know, you feel like I can't manage your body. I said you through the foot off there.
Come on, body 60.
But I feel like I can't manage your body. Said you, I can't manage it.
So whatever.
Yes, sister.
Always.
The foot again.
Brother, I'm saying I love.
Hold
on. Listen, man. Hold on. Father, hold on.
Jesus Christ.
Hold on. Watch the man. Just listen, man. Listen,
Easy now.
Are you be saying a man? You never say no man, so how do you man?
Come out of my house. Come out of my house. Come out of my house.
Be, calm down.
Come out of my house. Look how me try with you. Look how me ask if you want to do nothing with no other man. Who want to make you do this thing to me?
Me, I'm a brother.
No, brother. I am a talk
Be calm down, no man.
Tell me about calm down. Come out of my house. Pack up your things, them and go on.
But now I'm going to
pack up your things, them and go on.
Alright, me come out here. Come to stay home.
My wallet, I come back fine, thank God.
Say never mean me no good. Me take up my phone. Never mean me no good.
My boy, I'll take some money to yo. Hurry up and come out.
I open, me take up my phone. Me not let my tooth in there.
Yeah, wicked.
Girl, they are wicked in the youth. The girl in the sign on a man. Hey, come on, sir. You know, say I want wicked do post and make a man take my life in there.
You can't do nothing, just such.
You know, tell me say no, man will make you wicked, so. Me ask you so many times.
But I'm single, the man not treat me good. If I tell you I'm single, that means say man not treat me good.
Tell me say now a complicated relationship.
Me don't know one am complicated.
No, but listen what I go on now. Listen what I go on. Because I love my life more than I love woman. You know. So listen what I go on. If it seems as you have a man.
But no, you know, so that man put me out.
He put you out, he can't put me out. I don't mean a problem. If it seems as you have a man, and you tell me like say you never have a man when you have a man, You want them
But
try
do not-
fix things. You don't try
So
resolve
you just go
things.
left me?
So what you want me to do? Then you say you will come to my yard and bring man in there too. You think me not full of sense? You go and go work out a relationship. Me I work out my foot. Yeah, alright.
That's why your foot broke.
That's how your man put you out.
Yeah. You should have broke your foot.
Work out your body already. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Thank you, Father. Hold on there.
Are you me up, Alpha?
No, me I look for your roots. Come here,
Are you
here.
at work in front of me? I don't know something. Like I'm not saying. You alright? Where you go?
Eh?
Where you go?
No, me I got service the community. You know, my duty, doing my duty. What happened?
No, it just seems nice today. What happened?
So why hold up for me? I don't understand.
No, I just want to worry up and sitting. What happened?
Eh?
Fix your car. It's just you look check your car.
I think it is.
Yeah, Pinky, but
Pinky, you sure alright?
I don't know fever, me alright.
You sure well alright?
I'm well, alright.
Oh, my friend give me the job?
No, man, I don't know.
Oh,
You look nice. Like what me, I say, like what you tell me say. You sing the other day, you see me, can you see? No, you're
but you're my friend there. So how me going there with you? And you're my friend there. It not gonna work, so? You're my friend there, you know?
Come on, I'm not type of man. I know you love me and something.
Hello. The only way me can there, I feel never had nobody.
I don't know.
Remember, you know nobody. You know there with my friend. You know there with my friend, I'm a tough.
You know what I say? Me and him kind of we're on a good terms now, so you don't have to worry about that.
You're not there on a good terms now. Me not have to worry about that. Me not understand. Where you do it bag? I force me see in a bag.
No, man, I don't do red me. Don't I'm afraid me.
Let me see in a bag.
Don't I'm afraid me.
Let me see in the bag.
Don't I'm afraid me.
Whether doing your friend or work.
And some of me will give my friend and fair. Some of them in them should have up on me yard.
Okay.
Yeah, so me I can't go gear.
Hold on there before that wrong. Hello? David? Huh? Hello, you tell boy. Catch her with money in your. Hey, hey boy, I would have burned up that mattress there. Beg you do, put the mattress out of the door and light it. Yes! I bet. Yo, me see all crosses. Me see it. Right now, it's upside of me. Did they speak out for me like me a cockroach? But I know me I got done it. Yes. That's every best last. Yeah, man. Your backside, you never want them where you go.
I'm tell you, I'm afraid.
God is good. That's why you look me. Because you don't have no options. So, me are the options. So my friend put you out. You feel like me I take you. Let me tell you something. Me no want nothing we done. Me no want.
You not done.
Me no want.
You not done.
You know what is fresh?
It's fresh.
And
Just
you
a
see
come
one
from
time me
clean.
say you want it round the clock. So anything we go round the clock and not stop till it go round and round and round. It's not fresh.
Come so, do this to me.
Do what?
This.
Listen to me. For me body and for your body can't mix together. Cause guess what? Listen to me. For me body and for your body can't mix together. Cause guess what?
You know what I say?
Guess what?
You know what I say?
Guess no. Dirty girl, guess. Cause we can start styling now, you know. Cause your man from there. You know,
listen to me.
Set up under your own self.
I want your car, dirty girl.
Maga foot girl.
Big face man, I want your car, dirty
Boy, you
girl.
carrying big belly man in the man house. The man that describe the man boy man belly big. So you
Him belly dumb big, him just fat too. Listen to me. Me a woman, I'm gonna take no more disrespect from
no,
you.
the man don't fat. Don't say fat. Don't call people fat. Let me teach you something. Never you call people fat. The only thing
Listen
you
to
describe
me.
from people is them belly. God make them how they want big. Them put them
eat
even
no,
big so.
just eat
Me
nothing
proud
belly
of
dumb
them.
big. I tell you though, I'm not going
Can
to
you
fatness
see-
for you. You don't have a fat this one if you want a woman. If you're glad to me, I come look you. Can you tell me say you're single? That's
Look at Pat cover a disgrace. I try to disgrace Pat. You remember, if I don't go on the fire, you can't go on it. A Pat cover can never go on a fire without its cabinet.
Listen to me.
Shut your mouth when you're
Don't
talking.
tell me shut my mouth because you're not my father. You is not my father, so don't tell me to shut my mouth. Don't do it.
If me was your father, the moment me see you live up, me find your mama and me just take your head and go to shove down there. One kick send you down there. You could never be my daughter. My daughter feel well elegant. I saw your teacher say your friend them to be like you. Be like a big whore. See a man carrying your man out.
Hello, me not whore. Me not whore. Don't read. If a man not cheat me good, me go look at next man. So I say go. If a man not give what me want, me go look at next man to get what me want. Never please, never make me please myself. Me not get up every day and please a man.
Alright, I'm going to teach you something. I understand what you just say a while ago. If a man not cheat you good, you go look at next man. Why the backside you carry the next man in your house? Why you never go to the man's house? Who for yard?
Mine.
Your yard? You ever put a nail over there?
And look how much nail me put in that. Look how much nail
and the man alone work hard. The only thing you put in there is down there, sir. Down there, sir, alone can
I don't listen to my body in the house. I don't say alone. So my body in the house. Me buy groceries put in that. If me don't cook in that house, them don't eat nothing.
In your fry?
And my man said I must nyam from me.
The last time I come over there and eat the food and things like in cooking, you know.
I love you, bet me should have put poison in there for poison you.
2 weeks! Me sit down by shit out, sir.
Yes, and that
you make me couldn't go out, me couldn't tell him the truth, that me not come back and work.
Listen to me.
2 weeks! And me miss my job because of you. 2
Them
weeks!
should have fire you.
No, me fire myself because when they go back to the bar, say, we already take a week and 2 weeks. Listen, you, dirty jungle.
Dirty dog, don't fight for me. Don't fight for me, no.
He don't catch you. See there?
I she didn't want me yesterday. And she want to look argument to me yesterday. I'm telling some other man. Bro, why you?
Look at you good.
But me look at me, man. Look at me.
You are looking at the mirror?
I know my shape good, so I'm not looking at the mirror. I know my pretty.
Too ugly can't match. We will burn down the house, mama. Me ugly, you ugly.
No, me pretty
if
and you
ugly.
ugly.
You get a pitney, the pitney will pretty, yes. But me don't want you. Because guess why?
You don't want nobody, I nobody don't want you. Which one of them? Nobody don't want you. Because you can't.
My woman no fi bore you so. That's the first turn off.
And my money do it. So if you want boy, you some boy, my tongue and boy will hit. I can't do it. And my money do it.
When you come, how you make up your face?
Like how your face cook. When I make up my
that's
face.
why I'm gonna do with you. You know who your favor?
Listen to me.
Look.
Listen to me. Say that your cow, they come up the road, I say you favor the cow then. So you're the cow if you go sleep. So listen to me. Me not have.
Not do that.
Not do what?
Not say me favor the cow. Look
But
at
you
the cow.
afraid of look at the cow.
Mama.
Look at the cow.
The cow prettier than you. Mother deal with the cow more than you.
Come. So
look at the cow good. Mother deal with the cow better than you. Because you don't work nothing.
You don't work nothing. You don't even have dollar in your pocket most of the show.
Match a US dollar to a Jamaican dollar. It's just the Jamaican dollar. You don't work.
You come like rubbish.
No wait. My friend, no want you. You're well done. You're welcome like when time matches light and breeze. Bloody girl. You're one have no luck. Boy, you're here if you have a Christmas tree.
I'm bored.
Hey. Wow, God.
Yeah, right.
Oh, God, Mr. Sis. But I can't be and tell me see your rich back. And everywhere you fly back there, me can't believe it.
Girl, back on the rock. Back on the rock.
So I go for you and your boy over so.
No, not really run this, so.
Oh, on the break up?
Not run.
Oh, God.
Not run. So I'm just there. I'm bored. I'm glad you're coming now. So I'm just appreciate me. I go down to Master and go get a little. Come have a rum already. So I want to get a little chaser and all the vibes.
But anyway, sis man, talk to me. Tell me what happened. Why do cheat by you? What happened in the relationship?
You know, good man, you know, good. We find out all him lies. A lie, pant up a lie, pant up a lie. And the 3 months sweet and everything else sweet.
Yeah.
Me did kind of fall for it.
Oh God, me did tell you, sister. Me da say to you, every time they call me and tell me, say, he might go too much o'clock in the night and I see me back and I jump through window. And when they come, he might put sheet over your head, you know. I did tell you, say, I cheat him, I cheat by you know.
But girl, may I tell you, say, the ooh movement, this is just tricked me. From in good, you know, nah lie. The man know how to walk it, you know. When you walk it, you just kind of forget about the argument, because while making up was kind of fun. So every time we fight, we come in like so we fight to make up, but can't do it no more, because as much as everything nice, plenty man out there, my head, we can't take the foolishness.
Me understand what you say, sister.
We have to come back to my roots.
Know yourself. You see what happened over so? Don't make it done fall, you will find love again. Love out there, love out there. How long since you want to break up?
It's over 5 months now. It's a while now. It's over 5 months. I don't even want to talk to him.
I feel a pain. Well,
because the thing hurts.
You say me feel a pain. I kind of understand what you say, but me not necessarily feel it because I don't in no relationship.
So you know, find a little young man for kind of hitch up with that, you know?
No. Me not find a young man. I mean, I think me want nobody to break my heart. Because there's a generation here. Man cheat, woman cheat.
Aye. So you just have to get in there before them.
Well,
and not go in with your full heart.
Well, you see me, because you see after what Mike do to me, Mike just mash up my mindset. Me don't want to deal with nobody else. Mike just...
You can't use that dirty. You can't use that dirty wife for if everybody fishing, because there's still good men out there.
You see how me there now and me single. I mean, I've done man a pee clock I tell me say me can't go anywhere. Man a box me and a kick me down the ground. I am so happy because I don't have nobody to do that to me. Me happy now. Me healthy. Me no mag, me my maga, but me no maga like one time. See what I say? But don't worry yourself. You soon find love again because that's your purpose.
Yeah, because I like the little company and the little, you know, the little movements and things.
Yes, because my family know you've been a get done. We're going to find the right one.
I saw me salt, but you're going to find the right one because you have to keep pushing through. Yeah. If you not push through, you not get nothing.
So you can go and buy something if you buy a shop.
Yeah, man, you're going to serve all the vibes with me.
Yeah, man.
You get comfortable.
I'll get that juice to me.
Alright, here come.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I have to hold the vibes and throw away all the crosses, man. Here come.
You're going. Your man a give one and you name more.
6 out. 6.
Wow.
Hello.
Lone Ludi a play.
Yeah, that's a go on, man.
You good?
Yeah, man, you good.
Yeah, man.
Come and shop.
Ever luck.
You know what I'm saying? Just gone. Like, if you come 1 minute early, just ride out a while ago. I may have wait one too. Come back.
So it's out.
Yeah, man, soon come back still. So I don't know if you want to go and throw something.
Yeah, man. Long time I played Ludi, you know.
You know how to play?
Of course.
I lie.
Me I play Ludi before you born. Yeah, chat out.
You can't know. So your first try you get 6 like a bad fan.
Tell you so me born lucky.
So what's your name?
Me, I'm Shaz.
Shaz. Nice to meet you, Shaz, man. I'm Davy.
Angie, nice to meet you.
So where you from?
Well, I always say I'm a Jamaican born in England.
Really?
But I live here. Grow here and everything.
So how long you live in England?
I just born there. Naval String cut there, but I just says home.
So which one of them more? Jamaica?
Jamaica every time.
Jamaica.
Jamaica every time,
I
King.
love your accent too.
Thank you.
So what are you doing for your side here?
Bye. We're just come for the shop. And then we're just gonna do something and just chill out. I'm tired.
How did you get?
I was gonna just get some ice and drink and thing and just cool out. I may have some rum at home, so it's gonna hold a vibe.
Come would I tell us I'm shop down your road right down the side.
Where? Okay.
Right down the side you could have go. But before you go, you have to give me a number there in a Shaz. You have to give me a number before you go.
What young boy what like you want my number for?
You continue the conversation because you sound so interesting. Hold on, let me I'll dial the era code for you, make it easy. 1876. Just put in yours. Alright, we call it.
Alright, I know what you're doing now, because it's a long time in being in a relationship. So.
Don't worry about it, man. Everything is okay. Just get where I get a shot and then we continue talking.
Alright, so you have my number now, so you must know.
Yeah.
Alright.
6 again. David, you did it again, boy.
Let's say you know, God.
Move
gone, I wait for the juice.
Yes. In the fridge, it is hot. I have to walk. At the shop now. But girl, you put your mouth on me. That's why you're my favorite sister, you know. You put your mouth on me and it work. What you say when me I leave? What you say when me I leave?
You want to find love again?
I wouldn't mind, but it's a spring chicken that chop me up. And that chirps me. In nice one tickles in dark, in black and thick and have thought. Oh girl, the man make me feel young again. You have to go shop more often. You have to come around more often and put your mouth on me. I love when you put your mouth on me, man. We leave out salt and come back. Of course. Young man at that. Not just any old man. Young man. Young, handsome, strong man.
So who the man? You not getting your name or your number?
May I get his number and everything? No, me give him my number.
So my name?
In again. Davy. Yeah, Davy. Girl, me tell you, say it eyes.
Hold up. Davy.
Oh, what?
Me know one Davy was living in the area.
You know him?
Yes, where I want good youth and me saying, woman burn him. The man left 3 months now.
You can't tell me saying not nobody. You want the woman leave?
Yeah, me want to fight that woman know ya talk.
Him say him single man. Him tell me some single and me tell him some me single. Girl, what that man? What that man can do with my body? Lord God, from me see me start picture the feeling about.
What your picture? You in a bed?
Girl, you have to go ahead of time, you know. You have to use your mind and go ahead of time. For no say if you know it's the right fit.
That what me know. Yeah, talk.
Him young. He younger than me, man.
Yeah, do it young man.
Listen, me find man my age and all then do as you say, I give me bun. I mean I get no cheese with it.
Okay.
So me I go change up things, change mindset. And the young stud like me. Give him my number, me want to check and see if him really like me. If him phone me within time, that's what can happen.
Okay, I understand what you say. So I'm gonna make you work out.
Oh God, me done picture that already. From him fling me over this and fling me over that. Lots.
Well, if I did that what me know, I'm happy feel because I want good youth and I'm saying find a good wonderful woman like a you.
Yes.
But I'm gonna game bun. Yeah.
Me love that. Come me give bun, me get bun, me no give bun.
Me think you go bun. I'm want good. Me tell you say, you see, woman did my friend. Yeah, but me never yet really talk to him. You know me. Me never yet exchange word. But me normally see picture of him and my friend used to show me say my talk. And me tell you say, the girl, wicked girl carrying man in her house.
Jeez, in a figure house.
In a figure house.
Some people bright no hell. So I get
yes.
Me would have been a fly on the wall for see that
but,
one.
I have 10 tour in a one.
No, you full of story.
You remember Mass Joe down the road? I say, I'll be able to go to the area. I'll see woman getting born with him, brother.
Ah! Why? Me no need TV when we come home.
No. You don't need a TV. You just need to sit out the road and listen to the people that mix up. You never would mix up.
Or if me have a sister.
Yeah.
That would come bring it to me.
Yeah.
I'll have to go out and road.
So I tell you the truth, man.
What?
We mix up a one. So I ask a question now. So like how you and the man left for now. How you still do the ring for your finger?
This now, too much man, I come check me. So me use this, and when I'm not interested in them, I'm married. When me interested, me just turn it around and cover it up and explain it. So this is my runway.
But anyways, me I'm going to go now because my throat dry and thinking like I want to drink something.
Me put the drinks in the fridge if you don't want it, me will drink it. Or me will invite Daddy round and we and him drink it.
I say you keep it up for young boy.
Me I try young boy, man. Old man not do it for me now. I want a young man to fling me about.
So you get to
Shush. Me ready for broke that back. Me ready for broke him back. Make him come like a back strong. Come here. Think say your sister easy.
No man, but I don't me.
You will learn. Let us sis.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you having a buckle there?
Hi.
How are you, sir?
I'm not selling in a shop. I come from. I go buy rinse my clothes them and to clean out my house.
Oh,
Yes.
how far your house, how far, sir?
Not really. Just when I go up and turn left and right and go over again.
No, I just conversation with you on next to. So what's your name?
My name is Shanice. You?
Shanice. You can't call me Davy.
Oh, okay.
So Shanice, me never seen a this party yet. How are you do right there, sir?
Oh, well, I live here 3 years now. I just not come my road.
For real?
Yeah. I stay in, but through me things them run out, me have to run come at the shop.
Oh, come and say it's 3 years where they not even one time I never glimpse so.
No.
I would remember to come and every day one pretty woman like this for now, you know.
Me not really come a shop because me go down the town and buy things to serve me for all 3-4 months.
Oh.
Yes.
So I just lucky me walk up on you too.
I guess so.
So after this, when would I see you back again?
Well, I can't really give you an idea now because tomorrow I think I want to go down in the town and do some shopping, so I won't have to come to the shop. So I'm not sure.
So I couldn't follow you going out town? Or just keep your company while I'm down there or something?
If me remember, yes. If we see each other.
Alright, tell her. To ensure I see you. You can get a number. I'm really interested in you, you know.
Me to give you my number. I suppose while me asleep, a woman use the phone and call me, ask me which bitch this.
Woman?
Yeah, woman. And I live with a woman.
No, sweetheart. Maybe I come out of a relationship 3 months ago. Me and her did 5 years, so I'm still kind of recover from that. And she cheated for me.
Oh my.
Yeah, so that really messed me up. I come in my house and see man in there.
In your house?
In my house.
Oh God.
Yeah, man, I say man. It really messed me up, man. But I kind of recover now still, and I saw a pretty lady like you, so I don't know. But I want to
oh, well, I really date, you know. Maybe kind of stay single because I got my heart broken 4 months ago.
Yeah.
And I don't think we come out of the road, I don't think we can fight nobody. We're going to be loyal to me as I want them to.
So the loyalty is my middle name.
Oh, so you get cheated because?
Because me loyal, but she never loyal.
Woman not just cheat, so you have to do woman cheat.
Well, you'd be surprised.
Anyways, come and give me a number because the left rain I go fall, I'm not going to rinse up my clothes there.
I don't know, so I know do actually make me get cheated on.
How are you do now?
Treat her too good.
Oh God.
I have to that because there's nothing else. But you know for she still. Like I wait full time now. So I see you then.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
So my man texts me there. Alright. So my new man texts me there.
I can't smile, so. Oh, I take police, you can't smile, so. Oh, David text you.
I go up on the road.
Oh, you go on the road so quick as you come?
You can go up on the road. Wait, is everything alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Must say I'm my sister, I just go look for yourself for alright and whole life and there's something there. Must say yesterday me did not me that figure back. So you alright?
Yeah man, we're good. I'm very good.
So yeah, we are doing.
But you
me
can't-
ask a question. Actually, you trying to start something serious with David.
Girl, I don't know if it's serious, you know. But all I can tell you, sir, I am going to enjoy myself with my young man.
Yeah.
A long time in a shake, so you know.
Yeah, you're so excited.
Yes.
You're so excited. Well, I want good youth skills. As I said before in the day, no, a relationship one time with my friend asked me, I want good youth, but me I say, but think you should find somebody your age though.
Listen, age is a number man put. Alright? Age is a number man put on this. From you like him and him like you and spirit taking energy, right? Me I go for it. I'm a long time dead. Me I live now.
So now make things ready. Okay, I am so happy for you. I feel like I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you to come here from England and find love. Wonderful love.
Nothing like home. Nothing like home. Come home and meet good fortune. Me link back up with you physically because the phone call them and team me grateful for them and the video call, but nothing like being able to go to my sister.
Well, anyways,
girl,
me I go on the road too.
I go on the road
Okay,
because
now
if you see my daddy, my volcano, I got it rock tonight. Wait.
Yeah, erupt.
I tell us still that. So all I need to have to put into play before all of this can work out.
No man, from you notice, from me see you back, up here going about, I can't tell me say all of this have to do.
They ain't growing. I mean, just tell you facts. You feel like the facts are growing.
No, listen,
I just the truth.
you want me to tell you something now. In life, you have to know, if I are you have to know how to straighten out certain things. You can't tell me say this and that I ain't organize yourself.
So we ask him, if you charge him more.
Yes!
No, but it will be bad. Alright, imagine, me don't tell him say, that's fine. If me tell him say, yo, you know say we are going, this is additional money, man, don't feel like me a grow on him.
No man, listen to me. You have to show people what you're worth. Me teach you something. You see the people that will come down in the island here and I build up the business place.
Yeah.
And I lick out the poor people them out of job and I take up the rich people them and hire them and let the poor people them to bend their knees towards them. Me not know that. You see any hotel on me I work where I collect US and US to pay me now.
You have a point.
Look for the new hotel that open up now up the beach. Right side it was Footprint. Me don't remember what their name is now.
A Footprint in name? No, I never that name before. Me know where you are, man.
A US never pay now.
I lie you tell.
Then the place is a good place to work.
Mm-hmm.
When me see my cousin come in and I caught me say, well, this is what you say inside so them pay now. US them pay now. I say, I saw every hotel for this. For the big international hotel, they make a local poor black man, Jamaican man come and pay in the US.
That's true. You have a point about that still.
A wickedness that.
A point about that, man.
Yeah, the people in the US. Oh, what's a nice hot chicken? What going on, baby?
Hello.
Sexy.
How would you say to them? Me never see her what, man. She tell me say they run the road. Me never know which part run the road.
Yeah, your cousin.
Guess again.
Huh?
Guess again.
Your sister.
One more time.
Friend.
I'm a girlfriend. You're close. Girlfriend.
How would him be? Where you know him from?
You know, I'm a virgin Papey. That's
Oh.
some business name there I talk about.
Oh. Well, as me did tell you, I'm going to the town today. So now me I come go up go cook some food and something.
Oh, yeah, cook.
Maybe I be cook one little tinners. Then I call night soon come down. You don't eat tin food, so.
Tinas.
We survive, man.
Alright.
You can look for you later.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just knock 2 times. So I'm not say you.
Alright.
So me can't knock 4 times.
No, sir.
I do more than knocking tonight, man. Believe me.
So me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Are the rightful one that?
Any rightful.
Let's tell me say you are 2 women.
One time, yeah.
Which one are the right one?
2 of them are right, one of them are wrong.
I'm confused. That one that you're showing not take your money. I know me and them go cook tinners. I don't mind the woman they when nowadays I cook your tinners.
No man, not sure man. Sometimes
Me walk and take up all I tin them and cook them because
cool, man.
she a cook tin, you know you where she a cook? Tinners. Me would have walk and take up the tin them. Because I want to know what kind of tinners they cook. You better tell me they cook mackerel like baked bean or bully beef.
No man, not every day you can do that man. Some of the time when you have chicken, some of the time she have mackerel. I just say procedure man, you know. But right now,
yeah, we take craving dog 2 puppies.
No, what that mean, you know. But right now, back to the business. Because I mean, like, oh yeah, about you want to knock on me man, do a 4 times or something. Wait, sir, you was then to pay now?
No wrong. Yeah, what you mean? So you want to work on one place to collect US and then pay in a Jamaican?
Not really, but I enjoy getting US too.
No more want the US, because my cousin go work in US account there. When I advise everybody if you go there, go work now. Because when you get in a US, you go change out it. Oh God, man. Nice. Yeah, man. Or you can travel, go and find you have US on top of US. That's true too. You can see about it.
Very true.
Good evening.
Hi,
Hey,
honey, what's up?
baby.
Good man, how are you doing?
I'm good.
How is your friend?
Huh? Yeah, my sister.
Hello.
This is my sister Kayla. This is Davy.
Yeah, I'm from Tulsa. I know Davy already.
Oh, so yeah, it's okay.
But him don't know me.
Oh, nice to meet you. So,
Yeah.
sweetie, this is Papey. This is Babe.
Pleased to meet you.
I'm confused.
Confused. Nice name. Nice name.
No, I don't mean my name. I'm just confused.
I confused from your role.
Some, let me look in my head not too long.
You can see why.
Yeah, man.
Anyways, I'm not time to cut you, but remember say,
No, you're rushed, though. You're rushed,
Yeah.
Your sister there with my friend, and are you single?
Yeah, I'm single, but I'm not sure if you're single, so I'm going to go find my
No, listen. Look at my fingers. Very clean, and I'm a hard-working man, right? No rings. Look at it. You ever seen no young man on this earth have no finger like this? I'm your old boy.
No.
Look at them good.
Yeah, I see
Look
them.
at them good.
Yeah, me I see them.
Right.
Yes.
You have to treat yourself good.
Yes.
On my toe, you can eat her without my toe. Yeah.
Where does I go? Where is Where's him again? Mr. Confused.
No.
Wait.
I confused me. Confused a while ago. That's why I made the mistake and say I am confused.
Oh.
But I am really confused at you. Because I'm looking at you, two beautiful, nice lady mixed up in a place where you all two should not mix up in, because you're going to have problem later on in the skyscraper.
Nobody call problem down for me, Miss Sissy. You're my man. What kind of
No.
friend this? No,
Jamaica, no problem. No problem. Jamaica, no problem. Yeah, I like.
Alright, let me see her around. Me get to know you. Me see her around. Yeah?
Look on her.
Yeah, come on, girl.
Sweetie, let me see her, man. Don't worry about it.
You sure?
Yeah, of course.
Alright, you text me, you know.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I see her.
Alright, now go around the corner when we come. You got to stay here before we come back.
Let me call her, man. Don't worry about it.
Come on.
May I call you later?
Later.
I'm going to call you later, yeah?
Bye.
Alright, bye, baby.
Yeah, man. I like a young chick, but he knows too big.
Boy.
Anyway, we catch up on the argument here. So, remember, call me. You have my number.
Yeah, inform her, man. You know, inform it, and I know him more inform. So confused. Show him confused.
Oh, inside. Somebody forgot, but it take too long. Push the door inside and then it come back out. Yes.
Advance, man.
Yes. Just join in and find all. Yes. So perfect.
So,
Me there here. Still thinking never did how bad I come. Sit down, man.
no, actually, you really get caught up.
Oh.
Yeah, it's nice, man.
Yes. Me like a cabinet.
Like me, I say, I didn't like it. Which one you met on when you get into it?
I put it on color. Say blink.
Oh, well.
But I show you, but me don't know where remote there right now. So what happened?
Yeah, me there.
Say alright?
Yeah, me good. You good?
Yes, me alright, you know.
I eat.
Yeah, me eat. Me tell you, me come and call up my tinners.
I remember.
Yes, so I must eat.
I don't know if I make it.
Me make it long time.
Oh. Sharp on to your side.
Well, me don't really have no plans more than me did watch on a show. That's it. What are your plans today?
So me I come over here and spend some time with you.
Then can watch on a show or something.
You know, watch a show for me yard. You know, when come up money yard.
But you done this already. Me don't really got money yard because me know when my head cheap I'm gonna tell you something you go put me out or say come out. Me rather me have a talk to tell you who come out.
But me not like that. You're right still, me there already.
Exactly there already.
I'll show you watch.
Me don't know I know. We can put on one of them discuss show there.
You don't know blue show?
I just come call it.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, I'm my phone there now.
I connect it to it.
Yes, you connect already.
Okay.
I can't find the remote today, so I'm under the bed.
You know that style, yeah? I think my favorite style.
Watcha, you miss me not even call or text me. What?
I'm there. What you mean you call or text me?
You not call or text me from morning. So before I come find me stay down at the Alice shop.
I'm busy, man. That's all.
So we are going back. We are come over here.
No, you know, sir.
So I get too much clothes.
You know, sir, close in there. Hospital, me I go.
Hospital. Where you go hospital for?
You know, so I'm family member then sick out. So me down there.
And your family member sick out?
Sick out, bad.
Oh, so you don't want me come?
No, she
You don't want me show that for lean pan while you did
yeah, of course, but I'm in the right time now. You're not even properly dressed and me I go down the whole day. I would really appreciate it, but the worst thing about it, my family they not.
Me can buy one jacket on the roadside.
My family I like seeing your face, that's the biggest thing about it. So if they don't know when from start, they don't go and know when they sick out. They can't be family prideful and they want to say, well, me, look, David, when you carry people, come look for me for I'm sick out.
So that's why you're going to the hospital?
We can do better. Right now, I should have gone already.
Oh, so hospital, let's say I go. Any time I practice?
You're right. Yeah, see you later. Yeah. See you later.
See you later for sure. Because you can't hospital with bag.
Oh, yeah, go. Fuck, God.
Where see I going?
I'm man, I go with bags.
You know, see I run a woman, me I go.
Which one?
I'm here, man.
No, two you have. So when they say around and you're woman, you have to ask which one?
The bigger one, man.
Oh, the Rasta one.
Me and him are moving.
Move in.
Yeah.
So you done with the little young thing there.
You know, done with him.
Oh, boy.
It's just that me I get one other yard and I can stay sometime. What kind of movie? What kind of done with you? Mad man.
Read between the lines. You're moving with that woman, right?
Yeah.
Done with the young one. What the young one can do?
Chopper warm tea, man. Remember saying young and frisky and man warm tea.
Frisky? Up here, Tina's not talk about.
Yeah, so
Tina.
You know about Tin Boom, just like Tin Boom, so she boom, but man warm tea, man.
Just like Tin Boom. She boom.
Boom.
Me put on a shop right now, me buy one Tin Mackel and that shit, they say, you will know how boom it is. It mash up instantly. So you know that will cause mash up problem now. Load you, stick with the big one look energetic and frisky, anything what the young one can do, the older one can do it.
So you know what I mean, two woman.
No!
Yeah, that may I show you. That may I show you my youth.
The Bible says you take a woman as your wife. You never say you take two women.
But King David had more than 200 women.
No, listen. Do not follow. I'm going to tell you something. You see when they say talk about King Solomon did have 10 women, we believe they are some pervert. Right, that script there. Because she want to know say you want a 10 wife. That's why Africa follow that the law, they have many wives.
But me not have 10. Not 10. I don't even have one wife, or one or two women now.
You can't feed the two of them.
What do you mean? What's it that mean?
You can't maintain two of them properly.
What do you mean?
You can't finance it.
You can finance myself and they help me out.
You can't service it. Remember they finance two women one time.
What do you mean?
No, don't tell me about what you mean. I don't want to hear that. You cannot maintain it. How you going to maintain it?
Well, financial lease, I can't service two of them one time.
Oh, really?
What do you mean?
You can service the two of them one time. So it's life.
What do you mean?
Daddy, when you have a woman, right? You cherish that one day. You see, you did have the other one and in there kill it with bun because you don't service her properly. You know, wine round the clock. Now you take up two. Can you manage round the clock now?
Who tell us I never service her properly?
Also, she chat. She say she not get no proper wood. She not getting it and she not getting round the clock. That's why they take up. First, a woman, a slim woman, take up a big belly man. Pan you as a slim youth. You should have shame. I told me, I tell you, now. You should have shame because if I did, you tell her the three bunny wedding, you know, bunny. Me I tell her, me would have shame. No, you get a good woman and you try to destroy. Why? Because one break your heart, you feel like the next one all do the same thing. Old woman never fail us. If you want to find one good old woman in your life, she will cook, she will wash, she will make sure you fed well. Me like, right now, me I touch one nice, slim, big enough, respectable lady overseas. She's my apple of my eyes. This one time I see Cynthia come to Jamaica, come look for me, I say, whoa! She's so gorgeous, and I say, wow. Even time I eat dinner, I sit down and I eat the shrimp, them and the rice, but just pay attention to her instead of the rice. One time I make mistake and swallow the shrimp shell, because even make she know that I chop the shrimp shell and so like. Because she's beautiful. Until now, me and her still a talk. So me might single out here, but me not single in the spirit. Me I talk to her. She nice.
Yeah.
Keep me company. Me don't want nothing else.
Yeah, alright,
So-
man. But just like how you feel about Cynthia, that's how I feel about my two women them. So I tell you,
No,
alright.
no,
They
yeah.
alright.
Listen, Remember, you know, me the one your ex. But me, I go one, you know, as a bitch.
Yeah.
You see, what goes around,
Come back around.
come back around. Karma is a bitch. Remember me tell you that.
Alright.
Stick to one. Never look at short one, the big batty one. She not hurt.
I don't know about that. Oh, yo.
You want to put
Yo,
when you're
yo,
talking
yo,
to me, I
yo.
look at her, I
Yo.
told them feel a crocodile back.
Yo.
Lead the one day.
Miss you, man. Miss
All
you,
the
man.
thing good for her bumper. That's the only thing we see look good for her. Her bumper. Come I wish some girl have it all the while. Remember, you know?
Yo, go on, go, man. Alright.
Make sure the big woman you are living with.
You see, I want this boy, I want my young girl, though. It's an old boy. I want all thing too. You don't know what
Hey,
Sis,
what happened?
how are you, man?
Yeah, man. Giving thanks. You good?
Yeah, I just come to look for you, see what I want, because you know, I call the phone like one time, so I come look for you earlier that morning.
You don't know. So the heart is there already, but true, busy nowadays.
So I
Busy.
So I want for you now, what like?
Why? I'm glad you come. I want to run something by you. I've been thinking. You know, so I wake up this morning and something big missing, like say a big hole there in my life, something missing.
What that?
Oh, my Davy, my Didi.
You miss him?
I wake up in this
Oh,
big
God.
lonely bed.
Me can't be saying
And
miss
he
him.
never come.
See, I reported to the police station.
No, I know that missing me at all. Me talk missing from my bed.
Oh, you mean...
Missing from my roof. Missing from me.
So-
I miss him.
Oh,
He
well.
missing.
Well, if anyone miss you, just moving me, now you moving with him.
You know, say, you're really my sister, you know. And that me I go run past you.
You're the moving with him.
No, man, me I go bring him here, so.
Oh,
Make
you're
him
bringing-
move in.
moving with you?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So you're planning to take things serious, I know.
Of course. Listen, me tell you earlier, I'm a long time dead, you know. Me plan to live full and dead empty. I'm going to do everything.
That's king, Mr. Jump for young boy. So. But all the words, I have to worry about you breaking with you getting your heart broke, because that is a very good youth, as I said before. You understand? So you don't just work things out. So you just call him and see how things they go. And
They can call
tell
him.
him, say you want, tell him, say you want to move in your house.
That's my call. No, that's not a telephone conversation. That's not a phone conversation. I go phone him and tell him to come over. And then I go give him bare good news.
It's something
And then
that's
me I go
squeeze
give
up.
him the then me I go give him the extra good news.
No, me I have it's something that's squeeze you.
You guys squeeze me later. No, but seriously, me I go phone him and make him come over.
Yeah,
this
phone
isn't a
him.
phone conversation.
I'm making you know.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Alright
You
then.
can't see a problem with it. Everything I move good.
Okay then, me I go for the road and do it up bit. Me just come to look for you and see.
Alright, me know
So
say
call yeah, so call him on the phone and make him know.
Alright.
Okay.
Go on, as soon as you got my phone him, so.
Yeah.
Later, walk good. My phone though.
Oh God. I wonder if I don't come left before me there chat to him. Come on,
Hello.
come here. Jesus.
Hello, go with you.
Me,
Miss confused. What go on?
No, I'm not near, so don't do that. I was very confused because me see my virgin and your sister in a relationship.
Oh.
Well, me know say it's something like Titanic, but that's one of that story. You may talk about now.
Yeah, what go on?
They say you're single.
Yes, we said that I'm single. I'm single for 2 years now.
2 years.
Yeah.
I mean single for 10 years. But me I chat to somebody overseas still, you know. Yeah.
You don't want a woman then.
Huh?
You don't want a woman then.
Well, the future is bright, but I need instead of a man like me, although me can hold out, but I need somebody here to go and cook and thing. We don't even have to have sex. Me just want to look for you every day.
Me not have to come in your yard then. Me walk past every day upon the road and look for me. Simple as that.
No, me need help.
You need
help you?
When me out service the community in the area. Can we service it?
Service the community. You wash and cook and clean in the yard.
Yeah, if this the old lady I need help with washing clothes, then me go over there and wash.
Oh, that's a good job you're doing in the community, man. You're a good youth then.
Yeah, but them pay me, but me not collect enough from them, because you know they're old, you know, really pressure
Yeah,
them.
me understand,
You know,
me
you don't
understand.
collect $3 a day from other people.
Yeah.
Me tell them to give me what they have.
Oh.
And when me cook, me get food out of it, so me not really charge them. But then again, never, man have been wife and me have to service him, me get $10 a week, 2 times a week. Me go
Where
do.
do wash and cook and clean for your extra?
No.
Where do?
Huh?
Where you do?
Me wire up in, string up in light.
The LED light them?
Yeah.
Or current wire?
Current wire, I string in the light tonight, you know, make it functionally, so you know, straight from him.
So the man can't string up all my light?
No, sir, the man cripple up, man. The man can't work. So he called me to do the job. You understand?
Oh, you string up light on it?
Yes.
So, that's so nice of you.
Right. So means the community service. So if you know why your property service.
No, my property well alright. So me young and healthy, I can do everything by myself. You know. I don't need a man. I've been single for 2 years. One man broke my heart. I don't think I go and make another one broke it.
No.
Simple as that.
No, let me teach you something. It's no matter how you're in a relationship and your heart broke today, a few months after you find love again, your heart break again, you tell yourself you're not go back in a normal relationship. That's a nonsense. Because sometimes you have to look back on it. Maybe you get up and a prayer for a good man. And then when the man come, you have a problem now, you blame God. You can't do that.
I never blame God.
Who you blame?
I blame myself and these crosses people down here in this earth. No, cause God never make them to be crosses.
Okay, good. I'm glad you know. Because as a Christian, I tell you this. You see, when you want something good, pray for it. No matter true, you get break heart, you tell yourself you're not go back in a normal relationship. You pray. That's all you do. You pray. You see, I'm going to teach you something. As a young girl, the tie is better to use to service you. Don't use the cucumber.
Hello, me tell you, I not use a cucumber and I not using any tie.
So what you use?
I don't use nothing, I don't need a man.
So you're going 2 years without the salt touch.
I never tell you that.
Oh, come here, you that. Me no
I
eat
am
that.
not in a relationship, that's what I say.
You mean to do?
Yes, sometimes.
You can't wrong this.
That's your business, not mine.
It better you take up one next relationship and see if you can work than mingle.
You see the man here, that's a generation here. You see how they do? It's Gibbon. Born, but they don't know nothing else to talk about Gibbon.
Born is a must, but it comes with responsibility. Now I gotta tell you. Born is a must.
But don't have to be a must.
Let me tell you why it's a must.
Why
and
is
you
that?
listen.
Yeah, listen.
If you are me there right now,
Right.
and me go to work, boss say, do one 2 hour extra, Papey. Me go do one 2 hour extra, right? Bam, me do the 2 hour extra. Me come in. First thing I go say, boy, and where you come from? And girl, you at the top. Run, baby. No, that no work when you do that. Me no go say, what is this? A cheat, not cheating, so me a cheat. Yeah, that's how bone come. That's why I say bone is a must. Even if you go to work, and see one guy drop you off at the gate, me go start cuss you.
Me a cuss before.
I wish man that can come here. Why you never leave your back? And you couldn't tell me that a charter vehicle come here. You understand? So
Me
bond
understand what
is
you
a
say.
must. If we don't work together and fight it, if we don't make it be a must, we must learn to trust a partner. That is the problem. We don't know. Especially the younger minds them.
So why you put your hand on my face? Back up your hand, man.
No, but I'm trying to show you. The younger minds them, I don't know, I feel like say me chat too much because somehow, every time I always see someone else, I chat too much. But it's the fact. The younger generation, them, not believe in a relationship. Here, clothes, money, nails.
Party. Don't forget the party.
Right. And then when them breed now,
No, them not breathing. Take some mini grinder.
it's not good, darling. Mini grinder not good. When you take too much of that, it fat up your belly. It give you gas.
Well, them belly shall fat.
You come over from now. You see, some of them want to take mini grinder.
Mm-hmm.
God and them. When they're ready for pitney, they now get none.
Well, God and them.
With that?
God and them.
You always sound like you are taking it too.
Hello. God and them. I say God, me and God. Me say God and them.
So you are what?
Anybody? Me is Kayla.
No, you are them too. Go on. You see, you know, save them, Zaka.
You see everybody a rat.
Thank you. Rat love cheese. And yes, push off and run with down, because we're special.
Up here to me.
Shawty,
Hi, Tolly.
come here. May I talk to you?
What you want?
What do you want? With the crowd, you know?
Through the crowd.
And hurry. Yeah, man, remember you talk about the thing that's done, so.
Oh, you talk about when me tell him put my boyfriend? Yes. Are you?
No.
Yes, I'm a boyfriend.
As in living with?
No, no living.
Anything when you're living with is not your property. Let me teach you something. Yes, when you know, see in your yard 24/7 is just like supermarket. If you're not going to go buy goods and can't go to your yard, it's not yours. So it's the same way. If you have a man and your man don't live in your yard, what that makes you?
I'm a man, same way.
Oh, are you man?
Yes.
Am I a friend? I'm think me see more
Yeah, you
than
live with him?
Huh?
You live with him?
No.
Then it's not your friend. I'm a man. Me and him have intercourse. It's my man.
When you know?
He just tell me saying go to the hospital because when them family member them sick. He tell me the right and stuff.
Oh wow. I'm going to the hospital.
Yes, and before you go with him and give me a shoulder for him lean
Why?
pan, he the right to start laugh.
This a shoulder you don't make you lean pan in a time like this year. What you saying that?
Hospital. You want me to pronounce it different or you want me to spell it for you?
Hospital.
Yes, the hospital.
You're sure no house in our hospital?
When them family member them sick,
And
so I'm going to the hospital.
I first me I know about that. I first me I hear about that. Am I a friend?
An emergency, him not even look like him beard, he look sweaty, all his shots drop off of him.
So hold on there. On a young girl, when you realize in life what really take place. What do you want? And then me always ask every young girl, what do you really want?
What you really want from me now? Before you go help your friend. Or call your friend and find out if him family member alright or she have to do surgery, him or she, you don't bring to say look me. You know, you don't want good friend. You don't want good friend, you know.
Mama, me I do the best thing right now and then me I look you.
How?
Me I do the best thing.
When you tell me say, man, house movie or whatever you want, same gone. You have to say hospital because of that. Me tell you, hospital, you know.
Alright, hospitalized. Not hospital, hospitalized.
Yeah, what kind of artists?
Hold on.
We are trying to do. We are trying to switch up my head. You want me to think say I'm not going to the hospital?
No.
Then why you still there?
Me want you to check if he gone to the hospital.
When he reach to the hospital, he go call me. He go video call me.
And if he don't video call you, right? What you consider in there?
Hospital.
Oh, hospital.
And every hospital you can video. You hear? Because you see the one when you stab my hospital, like a dirty public hospital, and stuff. When you have video, the dirty doctor will say, oh, no video, because they know they're not clean and dirty hospital.
Well, let me tell you something. I don't business with no hospital or hospitalized or hospital house. But when me I try to tell you, say no, you see, only young girl, you must find no one property.
Sir, no make me dip up under anyone that wish for you want me dip up under, no. You see the property where I live on? And my own, me pay how much thousand for. You hear? Me not live on nobody property, I feel me property that. You talk about only young girl to find property. You know where you figure find? You figure find a clothes store and buy yourself some clothes.
Listen.
Sir.
You see me just, sir. Now watch all me just. Mama, let me tell you something. If a clothes are no problem, on the boy always have a downfall. Don't watch our man just because when a man just certain way my child find true love. You see some man, a young girl, all care about his ear and nails as me talk. Look where you way upon the road, if you say you have a man. Me can have my woman and him the power by himself.
I'm
You know
a
what, battery
man.
rider?
I'm a man. Me da go look for. But when me reach, I bend the corner for going on my yard when Sam leave, me see him say him I got the hospital.
You ever think
So me I go back home.
you ever think why I don't get take away most of the time?
Cause you're sexy.
No.
I don't have no other chance to tell for back face.
No.
What?
They look pervert. They want to sit down on the roadside.
Because like you know why I can't see the brother side chat to me all long. Me you want to buy me onion and
Did
come
I
go
take
home.
you away? I only tapped you to save you.
Save me from what?
Me not really want you know. Cause all the thing look good for you is your bumper. Your face
You
no
want
match.
piece of this?
No, me not gonna want none. Because me tell your man say, me wouldn't really want you. Cause your foot favor crocodile back. Me no.
Sir, you know
One.
the pure better shut your mouth. You
You
know
forget what you
why?
look
Me
for.
first
Hey.
never want you can have a chain. You're jamming
I
right.
want to somebody know why you are the third. You soon get where the dog get. I don't bother feel like at the effort you get. Thump in your face, y'all. Take people, man, you wait. You will know what go on.
B, you know, some love you, you know.
I love that woman.
Oh God, I never find a man like you.
Trail.
Oh God, no. My last one, it was a junker, but you just make me feel right all over.
Look at that feeling right now, man. I feel mutual city.
Mm-hmm.
Feeling mutual. Glad, I'm fine. I couldn't ask you a better woman.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's what we're meant to be, you know. The ancestors made it so. We were meant to be.
Right.
That's why I love you, because you just make me feel right. You make me feel safe, and you definitely make me feel loved.
Yeah. I tried to.
We definitely give the pedo a workout. That's true.
Can't tell say you're in a good mood, man.
I'm with you. From me with you, I'm always in a good mood.
Right.
You're not in a good mood too.
Of course.
You know, feel good too.
Feel good every day.
Oh God. The time just right, everything right, you right, me right. It couldn't be more perfect. Oh God, you're good till you're too good. What me do for deserve you, B?
Yeah, I blush too much, man. Stop. Yeah, I blush too much.
But to God, what me do for deserve you?
I don't know what. Maybe I just feel time to happy.
I think so, you know, I think so, because boy, to God, the way you make me feel, no other man make me feel so.
I'm really glad you can say something.
It's true. It's true. You make me feel special. You make me feel like an empress.
You are. You really are, sweetheart. You really are.
You make me feel young again and all a giggle.
Glad
See you? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, say, right now, I feel say tonight, we're gonna have some extra fun.
Mm-hmm.
Me have a buckle, me still have some of the rum. So me go buy some chaser and we're gonna party tonight. You ready for that?
Ready anytime, man.
You ready?
Anytime.
Cause you know how many time when we party, you know.
Yes,
me are ready for broke your back, you know.
Just read cool now, yeah. Just cool now. So I'll get the chaser now.
In here, me gonna get the chaser. What you want?
Anything at all. Surprise me.
Alright, oh, I'll definitely do that. Alright, we're gonna get the drink and ting and line up everything for a good time tonight. Last night was good, tonight going to be better.
Alright, baby.
Alright, we're so good.
Alright.
Don't miss me too much.
I'll try. Hello. Hold on, I'm off out crazy. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, Brie.
Nothing. They kind of feeling a bit. I think I want to come over now.
You want to come over right now?
Yes, right now.
Alright, I'm sending you a location. You have to come fast, you know. Fast.
Yeah, me don't come fast. Come well and come.
Alright, I just send the location to your phone. Forward now.
Okay.
Now wait on you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay. Come.
Yes, me reach now.
We find out we fast. Man.
Yeah, so governor, me lie down too. So what happened?
Yeah, we are going like. We are going like.
Well, me nah pity thing now. Sex me come over here for.
So baby, I'm lock up the window then, man.
Yes,
Go on,
come
shoot.
lock up the place.
You got my clothes now.
Yes. Yeah, we're going to put you on the bed. Why? Like me have to go stay for night, cause boy, it drain me. I think I can't walk home right now. The house big, nothing I have to go home.
Oh, you have to go, man, because I expect the mother to come out of hospital. So you soon come still. Soon is not to have.
See, man, I don't live nowhere.
No, I'm going to visit you first one. I want you.
Well, I don't think I want to go home tonight. I think she have to go meet me. But babe, you want to study, take up the ceiling, man, and hide the wire them. Too much wire showing up. But yes, that was exciting. Like, I can't get more later, so I'm not have to go home. If I go home, I can't go get no more.
No, man, me come here and get, man. Come here and come get. I said I can't tell you. Right now, I'm going to go again. I just 2 minutes, you beat out.
Yes, I beat out right now. I'm not telling a lie. Beat out very bad and I'm tired. Too tired me be. I can't go home right now. I'm tired, man. I know say you're trying. Oh, gosh, me. You know, say... who you? What go on? Who you are lie down in my bed?
I'm a sister.
A sister lie down in the toy in my bed?
No, I'm a sister, man, baby. I want you. Oh, I'm a woman now.
And you can't talk? What go on?
No,
What's
my
going
sister,
on?
Yes, my sister. Look, yes, yeah, my sister run down, baby.
If it was your sister, she wouldn't run. How you couldn't introduce me and I lie down cozy on my bed?
Baby, a surprise. I make my sister run gone. Baby, my sister not.
Sister, and y'all are sweat? What you and sister do for sweat?
Yeah, why me can't be, man? I'm a sister.
Sissy, you think some me an idiot? Yo, boys, them think some big people are idiots, you know?
Why?
But what you really do that for? In my bed? In my house?
Baby, sorry, all right, man.
What you really do that to me for? And I give you my heart, but just tell you how I feel. Have you really?
Let me tell you the truth. Because I'm not saying me hide the truth from you. It really is like me deal with one girl. And she carrying money in my house. Me and her ready for over 5 years. And that really messed me up and put me in a dark place. So now me I tell you the truth, I don't feel that I can love again.
And now you come tell me that bullshit?
Yeah.
So what all the I love you too and you mean the world to me, so all was fake? All of that, everything was fake?
No, you're not fake, baby, you're not fake, but I tell you, I just saw feel now. I feel that I can't love nobody again because of what they do to me. It take my heart and break up in a million pieces, then step on you and turn their foot on me. That's how some feel.
You deserve every bit of it. And so make you me do that to you? Me do that to you? And me hurt you?
Baby, just go now,
And me on my bed?
You can't forgive me.
Forgive what? In my bed, in my house?
You want sometimes to forgive me.
Forgive what? Forgive what? Forgive my day in this. Your disrespect. Bring woman in my house, in my bed. I unalive me for unalive you. You don't know who, you don't know who me be, you know?
I'm sorry.
With sorry, you're only sorry you get caught.
No.
You don't know who I used to be, you know? If this was in my young days, I would have cut you. Don't touch me.
Baby.
Don't touch me.
Baby, just cool, man. You don't make something. You're not fair going all this ways or something. Baby, just cool, man.
I don't have to carry on this way. No. All right. You come in and find my brother in bed with me. That would be cool.
But you're not no brother.
You're not no sister.
You're not just sure.
In a tower, you take big woman for idiots.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You think so? All are idiots.
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me. As a matter of fact, don't even sit on my bed. Get your things and get the hell out before I rise my foot and my hand and foot to you.
You say you can't forgive me.
Forgive what? Like how you forgive the last one and take it out on me, David. I open my heart to you. I open my home to you. I open my legs, my foot, everything I open up to you.
Yes, baby, please.
No, don't touch me, don't touch me.
You really run me out.
Me I can smell her upon you.
You really run me out.
Yes. And if you don't get out by the time I count to 3, and my foot and my hand are gonna rise. You take big people for idiots. Pon my bed, David, pon my bed. In my house.
Baby, I'm sorry, you know. I'm sorry, man. You must can't find me a heart to forgive me. I'll give you some time. And tomorrow I'm going to link you back, alright?
Come link who?
Baby,
Come link who?
baby.
Get out!
Baby, baby.
Get out! Can't believe him do that to me. I'm up my heart and everything. Why? Why me? Why? Can't take this no more. That's it. I try. I can't take this no more. That's it. I'm done. I'm done. I'm going back to England. I'm going back to the fridge. I can't take this no more. No, sir.
I want one.
Sorry, sis. I can't do it. I love you and everything, sis, but that's it for me. Can't do it. I can't do it no more. You know, don't mention that. That is a swear word to me. Don't mention that boy name in this place, especially on the bed. Sis,
the work, the bed, make your bed smell. Your work,
me I go fling with everything. Can you believe, sis? Say, me and him open up. You know how me love him. I open up everything to him. My heart, soul, legs, all that to sis. We go out the road. We say me I go buy something and come back and nice up the place and nice up with tonight. I forget my bank card and tell me I turn back because them have a deal on. I say me I come back.
Yeah. What happened? Oh God, how about deal?
We come back to Davian, woman.
Oh God.
In my bed, sis. Davian, woman, and a towel in my bed. I open everything to him. I try. I get let down in England. I come here and say, let me come home and find my man. And the same thing happened. Then he might come chat far to me and they tell me, say, his heart get crushed. So he might go, him can't love. Huh? It's me crush him heart and me do it to him.
Sister, something I have to understand, but me not say why I do right is wrong. I understand, but oh God, make me say.
I can't take it no more, sis.
So I want to know.
I go back to England.
To the all love?
Why? Better me know me I go do. Me can't take it here. Me I go back. Me I go back because why? I thought it was rough.
I'm telling you this, sis. For me, young green like girl like a me, I gone 2 years and couple months now without no man, no heartbreak.
You're too right.
You know what I do when I want somebody? I rent people, man. You bet your dad rent Davy. Because I didn't expect it from him, but I never know say that do it so soon.
Think you say he was a good man?
And I said he was a good man. Never hear me say it all along. One girl can broke film heart, so him and Pinky there for 5 years, and Pinky broke film heart, so I him jump on a lovey-dovey again. But they want to mention it to you.
So why you never tell me?
I know.
You watch me jump over the cliff head first and you not say nothing, sis, really?
I didn't want nobody say I don't want to see them happy. I not ruin nobody's relationship.
Me not make
I did tell I say, look your age. You need to look your age.
You didn't tell me say a cheater me I deal with.
He's not a cheater. He was never a cheater. Me tell you, a Pinky. Pinky just mash up his head. So for now, you know, got him. I don't know I go one thing, but oh God, you go get one more time. You better go back to your ex-man for true.
Better the devil you know. Better the devil you know. Sis, we'll phone you. You can't manage. You can't manage.
Come, pack up your bag and come on.
You can't do this.
Pack up your bag and come on. Come on, girl.
You come airport with me?
No, girl.
Lord of God, watch out.
Somebody when me need did want to see me. See me.
How you all run from, Mama? Yeah,
Me not run from nothing.
How you have the chain?
No. So, you look so wet. The clothes in tear, so.
As I tell you, I serve the community. I help the elders.
Oh.
Because they can't help themselves. So I help them. You need somebody to help them. Their family member, they are foreign. They don't have no help. So I have to do that, to cook for them and wash. You know. I don't have a problem doing that because guess what? And they want to pay me. I collect the same way, but still some of the time I give them back because some of the time they don't have nothing on time.
Long story short, you think you want to invite me in your yard? I remember you did want one girlfriend, but you don't want me.
No, Mama. I think that one is bad. I'm talking about that one.
You don't think you want to marry me? You don't bother want me? I'm
married
single
you.
now.
Married you. Last person.
Hurry up and talk. Me not too one up on the roadside.
No, between me and you. Before me, you say nothing. What really happened make you want married?
Cause me single. Man, think me have a man after this.
Single? So you tell me, say you have your man, you're there with your friend. So no, you single now. I don't want to know. Oh, you single now?
One lady come in her room and
Oh, the Rasta lady come back here.
see, I didn't know about her.
Whoa.
See, I didn't know about her.
Yeah.
So instead you tell me, say the boy have other woman. They are time to go to the hospital.
Why? Yes, sir. Why? Yeah.
One shot you give me for put
Yeah.
on.
Eh?
One shot to put on and take a put on. Me know nobody will
Mama.
pass and see.
I cut all crosses. Cause it come like say when crosses left out, they find me. Mama, me no want nothing to do with you. Me no want have nothing to do with you. That's why me a strip. You no mind look like it. To do what? Anything people dash for me no want.
And him dash me and me come out.
You see the old man here that just come from? He better me this stick with her. She no, every minute the wet rag give me put it on in front. Then pum pum a jump. So me put it on him. He better me there with him. I told me too young.
So
and
anyway,
she a
long
75.
story short, you can't give man a shot and put on. Yes or no?
Mama, you shouldn't only run out in a toy. You should have grab where you can grab.
See me
Just
grab
when
me
me
shirt.
look, nah, I was too IP. I see you, me, I see you
All
for the
right,
embarrassment.
later.
See that? You run out in a towel. Cut and clear all crosses. Bop up. Woo! Young girl. Pick up good man. Yes. Then get dumped. Lord of God. Why?
You have made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribers yet, please subscribe, guys. Because sometimes I'm not subscribed and sometimes I'm not a member. So please subscribe, guys. I just want to take the time out to thank you all. Thank you for my viewers and my subscribers and all the people out there who are motivate me. If I never phone them, I'm the writer right now. So thank you guys for subscribing and thank you guys for watching. Look out for the next movie coming. I'm out.